Hi. Hi, hi, hi. Happy evening, I think is the way that people say these days. Hi. Hi. Hi, hi, hi. Triper, are you back home yet? Are you back home yet? And also, welcome in, Opal, baby. Welcome in, Shiny. Welcome in, Cam. Hi, hi, hi. Happy evening, good evening, babies. About that, what? Hi, Francis. Wait, guys. I'm trying to adjust my little stand here. My little... Flight canceled again? Oh, fuck off. Do you get reimbursement? Do you get reimbursement at least? They better be giving you free shit. Because why the fuck is it canceled? Like, again. But good evening. How we doing today? How are we feeling today, gamers? Tell me about your day. How's life going? What's going on, really? Oh. Ah! Not this going. Weather cancellation. I'm fucked. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm literally so sorry. That's fucking shit. You don't want to know, but I do, and I'm asking. Also, hi, King. I am asking. I hope everything's okay. I hope everything's going smoothly for y'all. It feels like maybe not. Here, let me just move this a bit. No. Other way? I'm centering myself a bit better. Bit better. Bit better. How am I? I'm okay. I'm okay. I had a week. Let's just put it that way. I had a week for sure last week. And I am so excited, but also quite stressed for next week's birthday stream. Because, well, it's next week and I'm scared. So, pay for access to the airline lounge. So I'm hanging out here, getting all the food and free drink. Oh, shit.
What's good, playa?
That's stressful. Tashawn! What's good, playa? Hi, Tashawn. Thank you so much for the 8 months. Habibi, welcome in. Welcome in, my love. I don't know why the alert didn't play for you. It's fine. I'm not mad about it. You're mad about it. Let me just play one for you then. Here. That's just for you.
Posted in front of the top, selling dope to the sun come down.
You get Benny. Thank you so much for the 8 months, Deshaun. I appreciate you so much. Thank you. Got kicked in the nuts, but oh my god, Cam, you better report her ass later. You better report her ass later. And also, hi, Jasper. You forgot you had a sword? Welcome in. Welcome in, sword crew. Young. Thank you for the 11 months. Holy shit. Thank you for the 11 months. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for the 11 months. And thank you for the fucking hype train. Holy shit. Young, I appreciate you. And I'm still waiting for you to get on the fucking game. And Kim, hi. Looking nice. Stop. Thank you. I dressed up today. Wait, I'm tier 3. Did you not know that? Did you not? Wait, did you not actually know that? Young, did you not know that? Oh, now I'm stressed. Not me being stressed. Not me being stressed for you. Habibi, did you not know? I'm adjusting the light. Leia's here. Do you guys want to see Leia? Lahi! Look. Hi, Gatsby. Hi, Fief. Oh. Oh, guys, it's gonna be so weird going back to streaming in the morning for my birthday thing. It's gonna be so weird. But we're going into the night, so the schedule isn't really changing, but I'm gonna be starting early. It's gonna be so weird. It's gonna be so weird. But I'm excited. Morning, woo, morning for real. Isn't that so weird, Fief? Like being back to that all of a sudden is so weird. I'm excited though. I'm excited. This is Leia's favorite song. This is literally my day list. Starting next month, you're starting in the morning. No. So Cam, actually, I'm going to be streaming for my birthday. I'm going to be having a uncapped tipathon, so I can raise money for TwitchCon. And that means essentially like it's going to be uncapped. And so depending on the time added, it'll be like a 10-hour stream every single day. So here, I'll just show you guys what I mean by that. She's actually never going to stop streaming. Okay, let's not say that either. Definitely not that. Definitely not that. Here, I'll show you. Brandon, welcome in. Here. Oops, wrong one. Oopsie. Here. All right. See this one right here? All right. We're going to be doing 10-hour cap per day. So there's going to be a 10-hour cap, meaning that every day that I stream, there's going to be maximum 10-hour stream. But essentially per dollar donated, I'll be adding 2 minutes worth of time onto the timer. So we could go like a whole week of streaming if we hit the goal, I guess, essentially. Is 24-hour stream? The 24-hour stream is the $2,500 goal. So that's very highly unlikely, but calm yourself. Calm yourself. Calmate. I could earn a letter. Shut up. You literally got a letter. Fuck you. Hi, Leia. Hi, Leia. I like the graphic. Thank you. I did it myself. From the apartment for... Oh, that's so cute. That makes me happy and emo at the same time. That's really cute. That's cute. Oh, I'm trying to... Oh, Jesus. I'm trying to adjust the lighting. Triper! Not the 13 months. You misread the $2,000 one?
Stuck in the airport, gang, gang, gang.
What did you read it as? Pie on face now? Why did you misread that as? No, please explain what you misread that as, because now I'm just stressed out. And Triper, thank you so much for that 13 months at tier 3. May your flights go direct, please. Pee on face. Guys, it says pie on face. Get it together. It says pie. Brandon pees on face. Okay, first of all, that's a completely different genre of content that I'm never going to be doing. And won't be able to watch it. I say, oh, I'm so sorry, Gatsby, but I hope you enjoy Grease. Are the incentives for TwitchCon or for at TwitchCon or after? I don't know what you mean. The incentives? No, those are during the stream. Those ones right here, these are during the stream. And the milestones over here are all during that. But the handmade keychain is like something I'd have to mail you. And Polaroid picture and letter would also be something I have to mail you. Yeah. Yeah. So I'd be making you like a handmade keychain and a Polaroid picture and a letter. Yeah. Pretty much. And TwitchCon get an autograph from the... You're acting like I didn't go to your wedding. Calling me the Pharaoh is wild. Calling me the Pharaoh is fucking wild. That is my bad. I'm old and can't read. You're not old. I'm pretty sure I'm older than you. Please spare me. We don't kink shame here. I never kink shamed. I just said it's a whole different genre. I just said that's what I said. It's just not my business personally. This is none of my business. What else was I talking about? I don't think you are. Baker, am I not? I'm turning 28 on that stream. It's literally my birthday. The 30th is literally my birthday. Where's the cat cam? It's not going to be a thing because my phone overheated the last time I did it. So I'd have to buy an actual camera. Like a little webcam and put it down there. Which is like stressful. And something I can't afford right now. Definitely not. Oh, really? I thought you were younger than me. I don't know. You were giving young. You were giving young, baby, you know? The command is wish list, I think. Not me not knowing my own commands. It's so embarrassing for me. I'm embarrassed for myself. But welcome in, everybody. Welcome into all my lurkers. Love you. First day on the job. Don't fire me. Love you. Love you very much. But we have so much to do today on stream, on Final Fantasy. Yama, hi, baby. Welcome in. So you're good. I have never fired a mod. Actually, no, that's not true. I know fired is a loose word. One person. They deserved it, though. What's it called? I forgot what I was saying. Shall we get into the game, bitch? Baker, you guys, the hype train is gonna make me cry. Like, I'm actually, like, gonna cry. I probably deserved it. What? I'm still waiting for you to move to our data center, is all I'm saying. Baker, thank you so much. Thank you for the 4 months. I appreciate you so freaking much. Genuinely, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you to all my subs for being amazing. Thank you to Sean. Thank you, Young. Thank you, Triper. Thank you, Baker. Honest to God, you guys help me keep going as a content creator. And I don't even have words, genuinely. Subbing to your favorite content creator. Hopefully it's me. If not, totally chill and cool. But if you have another favorite, make sure to go sub and support them if you can. Only if you can, because I know they up the pricing and stuff. And that's like stressful as it is. Honestly. They upped the pricing and I was just like, oh my God. Enough's enough. I'm poor. Bismillah. No, because that scared me a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. That actually, like, honest to God, that's like starting to double up as like my own little scary song. Like scary, like alert now. This is actually, guys, this is my day list on Spotify. I think every time I'm gonna be streaming, I'm just gonna make it my day list, okay? This one, it's called Carefree Stank Face Monday Evening. And I don't really know how to take that. Why the fuck is it called Stank Face? I don't know what the fuck that means. Like, what does that mean exactly? Like, what do you mean by that? You know what I mean? No, like, literally, it's called Stank Face Monday Evening. What the fuck does that mean, bro? Like, what do you mean by that? Like, what does that mean? Where do you see that? You just search up day list. See, like this, day list. Okay, and it'll show up. Proceeds to make a statement. No, but like, what does that mean? Okay, fuck off. You're right. Proceed. Like, I still don't know what that means. Like, you listen to basketball. I didn't listen to basketball. I don't know anything about basketball. I also don't have aim. You listen to Tough. Here's some stank face, carefree, standing on business, sensational diss track, and baseball. What does that mean? Like, actually, what does that mean? Goblin Core makes an angry dad rock. I love that for you. Weird way to say rap. No, literally, because all I do is listen to rap. It's literally the only genre I listen to. Pretty much. So, like, hearing that is just, what the fuck is basketball? Like, I actually don't. It's literally just rap. This feels a little racist. I'm gonna be so real. This feels a little racist, no? I mean, Camila Cabello, but Playboy Cardi. This feels a little racist. What the fuck is this? Hi, Ninja. Can we get a shout out for Ninja, please? No, but like, involve a ball of some sort? No, literally. I just like, what a weird way to say basketball only lists black rappers. Is it for playing basketball? I don't fucking play basketball. I don't play basketball. I don't play basketball. I've never played basketball in my life, except in like high school. So like this just, it's a little racist, no? You listen to basketball. You listen to basketball. I don't know how to feel about that statement, dog. Like, I don't know. What the fuck does that mean? And Tough. What's Tough? Is it just more rap? Dude, this is a little racist. Spotify is getting canceled on stream right now. Tough and basketball. Just more rap. I don't know how to feel about that, guys. I'm gonna be so not that being fucking. Why is that being held? Shut up. I listen to hockey. Is it just a bunch of Canadian rappers? Who search for one, listen to one or the other? Yeah, but like, who the fuck is searching? Be so for real with me and tell me who the fuck is searching basketball on Spotify. Be so real. But basketball playlist, no, literally. Do I look? I do lift weights. So, but basketball is crazy. When playing it, I don't know. I usually just like search up vibes. Like I search up like hype or like I don't know. I have chicken arms. I have cock arms. Humble yourself, Farah. Humble yourself. Humble yourself. People don't look. People totally do that. Search hype or stank face Monday playlist. I am not doing that. I'm just stank face playlist is crazy. Do we get a shout out for Ninja, please? Please, 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 please. We love Ninja in this household. Please, please, please. You already did. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you, moderators, for being fucking amazing. Let me kiss you. Mwah. Sorry. You know, you guys notice when I become a degenerate, when I become a little bit more degen on stream, that means I haven't streamed for a hot minute and I just need to get out the degeneracy out of me a little bit. You know what I mean? But an avid watcher. How many points you got, bitch? Yeah. Fake. I'm kidding. I'm joking. It's literally a joke. I'm so sorry. People are really interesting with their... A Google search up a big boobs. Real. That's so real. Me when I was a kid. 2 girls kissing. Me as a kid as fuck. But does anybody want to run a few roulettes with me? Oh, you want me to do? Okay, let me do a timer really quickly then. Let me do a timer. طيب أنا دلوقتي هتكلم بعربي إن شاء الله. دقيقة حاطط تايمر دلوقتي عشان أتأكد هيلعب بينج 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 بينج. كده حاجة. ايه اللبس اللذيذ اللي انت ايه يا موزة؟ ابوسك. ممكن بوسة؟ هاتي يا حبيبتي يلا. عامة انا عبارة عن يعني بتحرش بالناس الحمد لله، يعني بلاقي اللاجينجز قدامي بقول يا نهار اسود ومنيل احا حد يديلي التيز اللذيذة دي والله. لو حد فهمني دلوقتي عشان خاطري، لا مش فاهميني خالص. انا تعبت. افتحوا الباب يا حمير. ست اجنبيه الحمد لله. ايه اللي هي لابساه ده؟ يخرب بيت شكلك. طيب اي حد عايز يرقص throw it back for a real one. فاهمين قصدي؟ يا ربي. لا مش عندك stroke. Okay, you don't have a stroke. You're good. Throw it. Who I said throw it back for a real one. صراحة. Does anybody want to do some roulettes with me? Anybody free for a roulette? Anybody want to do some roulettes? No, because what the fuck is that random ass like CAPTCHA thing at the bottom there? It's freaking me out. It's not part of my face cam. Not part of game capture. Not part of that. The fuck? Nobody wants to do roulettes? No roulettes? In this economy, no roulettes? It's some bullshit. Caught in 4K. Please spare me. No, but actually, what is that CAPTCHA thing at the bottom there? Are you guys seeing that too, or is it just me? I'm cleaning. Fucked up. You're fucking rude. Fucking rude. Can you believe this shit? Ugh, I guess I have to turn on background music. Blame Beth? Real. Wallahi, I have no... Not you saying wallahi. Not you saying wallahi. That's crazy. That's crazy. The whitest man to exist is coming at me being like, wallahi. Wallahi. Wallahi? I can't imagine a southern accent saying that. Wallahi. Wallahi. How does somebody with a southern accent say that shit? I can't imagine it. Alright, main quest it is, I guess. Whatever. I'm mad about it here. I'm mad about it. Wallahi. 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 Well, I'll be. Wallahi. Oh my god, you're right! Wallahi. Oh my god, that's so good, Ninja. That's a great way to... Oh my god, that was great. Well, I'll be. Well, I'll be damned. You're so real for that. I can't believe that's what Triper said, but it is. Triper has the most southern accent ever. I was like taken aback when he like spoke in a voice chat. I was like, what the fuck? I was like, Triper, please don't take this personally. I didn't know you were fucking southern. Anyways, I just thought about that and it like, I really thought about it for a while. I was like, wow. Wow. What an eclectic group of homies. This gnome better not touch me. That is true. That is true. Your accent is very light, I will say. You're right. You're very much right. Compatriots. Saying compatriots is crazy though. That's a southern ass word for sure. New England, Minnesotan. Is that how they sound? I don't actually know anything about the US, you guys. Honest to God, I am very like uneducated when it comes to the US. I will say, like, honestly, I don't know jack shit about the country, except that you guys have piss poor gun laws and just like a shit government. Now, aside from that, I really don't know much else. That you guys took like 17 years to fucking legalize gay marriage. And then a lot of you guys were like, oh, I'm going to immigrate to Canada, not knowing that we've had it legalized for like decades. And so like all the Canadians were like laughing at the Americans being like, I'm going to immigrate to Canada because the gays are taking over the USA. We're like, what the fuck? So don't give us credit for... You're what? Really? That's wild. Y'all are wild. Because the government issued AR-15. I hope stop. Dude, you know what I did hear though? That Americans, you guys can get like guns and shit from like Walmart, which is like wild. Like that's a wild thing to have, like be a thing. Like I thought Walmart had like talkies, not like guns. You know what I mean? Like that's a crazy thing. Like I thought that was fucking like Egypt has better gun laws. ¿Por qué no los dos? Sí, verdad. Very verdad. I don't speak Spanish. I just know some things. Just hence the not understanding. People threaten to leave depending on who won. That's just so cringe. I'm just like, I think that's so funny. Like, that's just funny. I'm sorry. Next to like the groceries. That's nice. I have a question though. Like, this is a genuine question. Do you guys also like run psych evals at least before like allowing guns being bought or no? Or at least like a criminal background check? Or can like anybody and their mom just buy a gun? Also, what is the legal age? That's so scary. What about like mental health background? Do they do that at all? Like a mental health background check or just like normal background checks for like criminal background checks? That's crazy. That's crazy. So hi Phoenix. There are some gun shows? You can go to a gun show and buy a gun from there? That's fucking wild. That's fucking wild. That's so fucking wild. I'm gonna be so real. What's it called? When me and Brandon would watch these like try not to laughs and they have like these like random like these people having like pranks on people. Brandon's first thing, he's like, Farah, I would never fucking do any form of like public, like I can't understand these people doing like public pranks in the USA because everybody and their mom has a gun. Like what the fuck? Like what, like what, why would you think that's a smart idea? And I was like, you're so right, actually. Like these people actually have no concern for their own life. Like that's wild. Like that's so scary. That's so fucking scary, dude. The Babby's ears? Me? My convo? I don't remember. What Babby? Is there a baby? I don't remember. I have the memory of a goldfish. Once a month, someone... I'm gonna be so for real, you guys. If we talked about that, I forgot. You guys, my memory is like actually terrible. I'm so sorry. Road rage is scary. Road rage, like honest to God, I think I would just be like terminally like afraid in your country. I'm gonna be so real with you. And like, I don't mean to be rude about America. I don't mean to be rude at all. Like I would just be really scared, honestly. So this is me asking all of the Americans to not only move to my free company, but also to my country. Have you thought about that? Move to Canada. Please let us. Sure thing. I'll talk to Trudeau myself. Trudeau. Hi, Blue. Welcome in. Hi, Beth. Beth, would you like to move to my country? Terrified. I'm so sorry, you guys. This must be a very serious conversation. I apologize for the seriousness of this conversation. Genuinely, I do apologize. I don't mean to like make anybody like feel uncomfortable or like triggered by it at all. So just making sure. And also thank you to Jennifer Beth. I'm lost. Thank you for giving a coin. Batty. That bitch. Get wrecked. Oh. Fuck! 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 Every time. So laughing is warranted? I'm not even laughing. I think I just feel scared. I like how that's the only thing you use your coins for. No, like, cause like fuck VIP or anything else. Lahi though. You have your priorities straight. I don't have many. It's cause you keep spending it. There's more in this fucking area. Oh my god, spare me. Please, I would totally adopt if I had the funds to financially recover. What license plate do you want? Is it Lahi? Is it Lahi? Lahi? It is Lahi. That's so funny. Guys, you better not have that though, because you just pretty much just like outed your number plate. I don't know. I think they don't like the fact that A stands for ass. Automat has fat ass check, very flat. So sad. Can you believe this? Couldn't be me. Oh no, not ass. Real. Think of the children that aren't allowed in the stream. Make that very clear. No children in stream. I just checked that it was available, which is funny. That's so funny. That is so you should get it. But like, no. But also, get it. But don't. I think I got my intention quite out there. Fat ass, exactly. Automod has failed every fat ass check. Dan Clancy, what are you doing? Although I am trying to amp myself up to apply for Twitch Ambassador. I am so scared. I am petrified. I actually put off applying for Twitch Ambassador the last time they opened application so much that I didn't even realize that they closed the application. And so now that they've reopened it, I was like, oh. Because guys, I've had my application ready since that application time. I just want you to be aware. Like, that's actually so embarrassing for how scared I am. Yeah, do it. Yeah, will do. What's the context of the adoption? People want, the Americans want to be adopted into a Canadian family, Raka. Can you live in the Twitch embassy? Of course, yeah. I'll live right next door to Dan. Me and Dan will be like homies. Yep. Yep. Neighbors. I can't get over that these guys' names is Knocker. Yeah, Knockers. Sorry. And also welcome in, Raka. What a beautiful time to join us. How are you doing? Oh, please don't touch me. Please don't touch me. Like, actually, please don't touch me. I am but a baby. No, not a specific American family. Just all of the Americans in chat want to be adopted into a Canadian family for better laws. And just like free healthcare, you know? Before the move and being allowed to stay would be the scary part. I wouldn't want the job to end up not being what I accepted. Yeah, that's very valid, honestly. That is a very scary thing to experience, I will say. I think I really actually don't forget this at all. I always think about the fact that about like how blessed I am to be in a position where I can, you know, make my own schedule and stuff like that. I feel like a lot of people though do glamorize content creation though, I will say. Thinking that it's easy. That bitch is tough. Although to say that it's tougher than actual 9-to-5 jobs, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna go that far. I'm just not. It has its own difficulties and it's its own things, and it has its own benefits too. Thank you. I don't know how I got here, but I was just thinking about it. I need to move somewhere with good enough healthcare that I actually live because I do not trust that here. You also need to move to a place with better food quality. I do put in a lot of work behind the scenes, I will say. I think the fun part of content creation is being live. That's like the best part. If I could do that all the time, that is, oh boy, like that would be the best job in humanity. The off camera work that I have to do is quite wild though, guys. Like I'm editing all the time, I'm recording all the time, I'm I really struggle to balance my mental health and my physical health while also maintaining my schedule and like a social life that's almost borderline impossible. But at the same time, I'm happy being a shut-in. You know what I mean? Canada having some top tier laws, but I'd rather go to the Netherlands. 100%, 100%. Europe would be, honest to God, the best option. They also have better food laws. Like, I'm just saying in terms of like proximity. You know what I mean? One day, hopefully, Draper, one day. There you are. Find anything promising? Between the two of you, I'd say you've got quite the haul. That I met Beth, Ash, that's so real. Both you and Ash should move to Europe. Jesus. Jesus, that really took me off guard. Yeah. When did that happen? That happened in 2001. I was 5 years old. I was literally just 5 years old. Yeah. Let's get comfortable, friends. It's going to take time for me to sift through all of this. Yeah, my partner and I both felt a lot healthier. Raka, honestly, I feel so much healthier eating food in Egypt because we actually eat food in season. We don't have this like shipping from abroad food shit. None of that.
You may not remember this about Arminfilia.
Oh, Kip, that's so sweet.
But prior to founding the Path of the 12, long before the Scions, she was something of a miner.
I'm sorry?
After her father died, Flamine took her in and taught her the trade. I think they were both seeking to fill the void left by a loved one. Maybe that's why she took to it so readily.
Besides Quebec?
Back
Jasper.
in those days, I spent most of my
It
time
would have
in
been
the
awesome to
quicksand,
see you when I lived
or
in
some other
Quebec.
tavern, loosening tongues and gathering secrets. Occasionally, I'd catch a glimpse of her in the street, on her way home after another hard day's work.
I lived there for 5 years.
I always
Literally.
felt a wave of relief when I saw she'd come back
Okay, never
safe,
mind then.
along with a pang of guilt at the fact I wasn't there to support her as I should have been.
Oh.
Simply speaking with her more than once in a blue moon would have been a good start, but I could never bring myself to do it. Instead, I threw myself into my work and became every drunkard's best friend.
Not your final hour to say the finest hour. I'm going to say that.
Far from it, and Flamine has never let me live it down.
Flamine?
But that was a lifetime ago. Here and now, I have another chance to do things right, and I will not squander it again.
Yeah, exactly, Raka.
Hey, come and see
Enjoy
what I
Switzerland.
found.
What the fuck?
You're not going to believe this.
I hope you have fun in Switzerland. What the fuck? Let's go traveling.
Tell me it's Leonine.
It better be Leonine.
It is at that. You lot were born lucky.
Thank you. Not really.
It's mostly broken pieces. But look at this.
I can assure you I was not born lucky, fam. Sherpa BDSM collar. Please.
This is a rather fine specimen.
It's been decades since we found anything approaching this big. But that's not all. There's an engraving on it.
Okay.
Ah, these scratches here. They're a little hard to make out.
Make out all right. Nyar.
To my
Sorry.
beloved Magnus and Schoolie.
Beth.
Guess! Do you see? It was a gift to Magnus from his wife. She found it. She really found it.
Fucking
She
A.
must have spent her final hours carving this message into the stone, in the hope that he might see it one day.
That's so...
Those rock-backed bastards must have made off with it before we could clear a path to her.
Habibi.
It's fate that brought you here to find this stone. No other explanation. It makes me wonder what else might still be buried in these parts.
Then fucking start digging, ho. Man, with all due respect, like these like little beastie boys are kind of hot. Like I'm not like gonna fucking lie. Like would like oh like you know what I mean? You're so right, Yama. No, can I just be like you're so real with you guys? Like because they're kind of fucking hot. Like it's kind of fucked up. Hi Nintendo. You gotta pick up the lady in the background to pop up when we play Lahi. You can actually. Would you like to? Would you like that? I could do that if you'd like. You want like a picture of her? Do you want like a picture of her? Or like, I would like a GIF of her, but I don't know how to do that. I can definitely do that though. Here, let me figure this out. Okay, let me try. Okay, let me figure this out for you. I got this. I got this. I am a programmer now. Okay, community commands, no. Twitch channel points. You guys can't say that I don't do things for you. Hi, Rin, baby. Rin, I was gonna text you today, but then I forgot. Know that I love you. Okay, picture. Is it just image? Hey, baby. No worries, no worries, no worries, no worries, no worries. Packing? Where the fuck are you going? Oh, wait, you're moving! Did you end up moving? Are you moving next to me? Actually? Or yes? No? Yes? Let me just find this thing. I am! Oh my god! Rin, I'm so... Rin, can we have like loads of sleepovers? Can we have like... Rin, we have to hang out like all the time. Rin? Rin. It's important. But then again, totally chill if not wanted. Totally chill. Now, how the fuck do I upload this picture is the question. No, not text ho. Image. Yes. Lahi. Okay. Duration. 2 seconds? Oh, wait. I need to do it. Entry. Down. Entry. Should I just like make her like... I'm gonna do it random. It's gonna be random every time. Alt F. Don't you dare say that to me again. Don't ever say that shit to me. Okay, that's quite large. That's quite large. It's gonna be a random, it's gonna be a random intro and outro. Okay, let's make it a little bit larger. Okay. Let's try again. Okay, maybe let's make it like last a little shorter. Okay. Guys, this is how I literally test shit out, like daily. Okay, let's try again. Beautiful. Let's try this again. This is gonna be a random animation. A random animation. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh, hello. What the fuck? You changed your outfit. You changed your race again. Hello. Hello, little guy. Or did you not? You did. Yes, you were. I wouldn't believe it if I had not seen it for myself. Before you sent him to Talos, would you take it to the Magnus? For 3 long years, he's believed that she died for nothing. He must know the truth that her sacrifice was not in vain. We'll take it straight to him. You have my word. Thank you, Guthjon, for all your help. I am Why temporarily? Right then, let's not keep everyone waiting. Why temporarily, ho? Oh, hello. Hello. With my mini too, and we were very... Oh, cute. Oh! Stop, that was so cute. Stop. Uppies? Uppies? Look at this little guy. Oh, you guys look matching with your hair. Was that intentional? Bismillah. Okay. This is my daughter. Is it? Is it really? Okay. Rin, you are so close to me. Holy fuck. Evolved into a Game of Thrones villain. Oh, Lord have mercy. Let me up this. Mwah. Oh, what the fuck is that? Ew. Oh god, that's ugly. Respectfully. That is ugly as fuck. That is so ugly. I'm gonna be so real with you. That is ugly. That is ugly. You have to admit that's ugly. Like, be so for real with me. That is an ugly fucking thing. Be so— You guys. He's cute. What the fuck? Listen, you know what? Now if you ever tell me I look good, I know not to trust you. If any of you fuckers tell me I look good again, I just know that I look shit. I look like shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Y'all are not inspiring any form of trust here. Brother. Chanting, singing. I used to be an opera singer, Raka. I used to be an opera singer. I know it's hard to believe, isn't it? It's hard to believe. Miko the father is very popular. Oh. I've seen your Spice and Wolf videos. Oh. What the fuck did I say in my Spice and Wolf videos? Me concerned. What did I say? What did I say? Hello? Hello? Gigan tender. Oh, I want chicken tenders. Oh, I love me some chicken tendies. Oh, y'all are here again? Oh, get that cretin away from me. Disgusting. Disgusting. Sung along to— Oh, okay. We're eating chicken tender. Oh, jealous. Gotta come over for dinner. I'll make sure to catch a flight. Yeah. That is literally my son. Your son is ugly as fuck. I say that with so much hate. Your son is fucking fugly. Oh, one day I'm gonna get taken out of context and I'm gonna be canceled for it. I swear. Time to unmod ourselves. No. Most babies are actually quite ugly. I will say they do look like Winston Churchill, and that is not something I would want to look like personally. I definitely look like Winston Churchill as a child. It was wild. And like, you know, when people send me like their baby pictures, I'm like, wow, it's so cute. But all I'm thinking about is you look like a sack of potatoes. Human babies are fair and valid. You know, that baby also that you had right there, ugly as fuck. Yeah, that guy was fugly. Also, fish babies, mostly ugly. Yeah. Haterade stream. It's my blood. I only take compliments? Okay, well. It's okay. They say love is blind and it's being proven as we speak. So. Yeah. Disgusting. Where the fuck are we anyways? Are we here? Are we in Almarang? How many more? My god. He went down to 5 million. Oh, for fuck's sake. Some people need jobs. Some people need hobbies. Some people need eyes, apparently. Better, you know, money doesn't buy taste, okay? Money doesn't buy taste. Someday I'll be able to afford him. Why would you want to? Yucky. I'd give him away. I finally have 2 mil. Me too, after I went down from 6. Ash, I have the best thing for you to hack. If you want money in Final Fantasy, just become a streamer. You're welcome. Of course, sure. Jobs to fuel our gaming ignition. Yes. Yes. I have to get up there. My goodness. My goodness. How the fuck do I go up there, bro? What the fuck? What the fuck? Please don't touch me. I am baby. You were a streamer? Oh my god. Ask streamer era when? Ask streamer era when? Ask streamer era when? It bothered you that you didn't have them? Oh my god, Jesus. Feel free to give me some cash. A year and a half ago. Oh my god. So I was on Twitch back then. Okay, so I'm just going to assume that it was bullshit. That I didn't come across your stream. Thank you so much. But then again, if you were playing Final Fantasy, I sure as fuck wasn't. I was playing Stardew or some shit. Or like God of War. Or nothing at all, most likely. I'll be real. Like last year, guys. It's so funny. I was looking at how much I earned as a content creator last year. And I was like, oh my god. Oh my god. That was a terrible decision to go like full time at that time. But alas. You know, a bitch had passion. Okay. And that's all that mattered. Okay. Your 14 is not set up for... What does that mean? Fire Emblem Pokemon... Okay, see, I've never played Pokemon in my life, so... That makes sense. I never even watched Pokemon as a kid. The first time I ever watched something with Pokemon was like the Ryan Reynolds fucking movie. I'm like, I shit you not. Oh. To do most of real, but passion does not pay your bills or get you food. Yep. No, not with... Fuck. This happens all the time. Leah. Let me pat you on your booty. Oh, I love you. Fucking love you. God. Passion is a low-calorie snack, if that. Passion's like gluten-free, low-calorie. It's like water. It's like water. Yeah. It's like determination's cousin. You know? Buddies. Determination to wash it down. I had determination for dinner. Yeah. I was just like looking at it. I was like, Farah, like, thank the Lord you got that serving job because you were... Yeah, you were dirt poor. Like, no, dude. Like, thank God for Brandon and thank God for that serving job because holy fuck. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Somebody should have stopped me. Some of y'all should have fucking saw that shit and been like, no, bitch, this is a bad decision. No, Leo. But I will say that it gave me the time and the ability to grow my content because I will say, like, you know, a lot of people are lucky enough to have like an unlimited amount of energy, but as somebody who's disabled and who has mental health struggles and like a lot of things in their life and struggles to balance it all as it is, It is a big deal that I was able to have a year where I could like focus on my content. As a result, you know, my content's doing well now, you know, and I'm able to support myself somewhat now. So, you know, not bad, not bad. Could be, I'm thankful regardless. I love you so much. I'm gonna eat you alive. I'm gonna eat you alive. Okay, time to give homeboy the thingy. Started at the bottom, now we're in the medium. Started at the bottom, now we're in the middle. What? Oh, it's you. If you've come to complain about the trolley, you'll find no sympathy from me. I told you before it won't run, so you wouldn't listen. But it will, now that we have this. Man, that kind of breaks my heart. You got diagnosed last week? With what, Yama? If you don't mind sharing, of course. Your name is engraved on it, along with your son's. It was a gift from your wife, Magnus. From Agna. He's so hot. I'm so sorry. No. She couldn't have. Agna. Aww. Did you really? Oh my god, well I'm glad that you have your diagnosis. I hope you can take the steps to heal. Take it. Do with it what you will. Are you certain? It would delay our plans, but I said take it. It was you who found it. You who needs it. That's great, Yama. I'm happy for you and very proud of you. It's not easy. Looking at that stone, all I can see is... Aw, I agree, Raka. Please just leave me be. Aw, Magnus. I hope you'll be there when Talos stirs to life. I'm sure she'd want you to see it. Does he feel bad that he let her down, I guess? Would you do the honors of delivering this to Urianger? Our train ride to my hotel for the night. Our train? My god. I love the train though. Honestly, Triper, I hope you can enjoy the train ride and like zone out on your phone or something. Oh my god, is that a little Tataru? What the fuck? Oh my god. So I can take the steps to 100%. It's one of the best parts about getting diagnosed, honestly. Oops. Thou art returned, and with Leonine it would seem. As promised, the Talos hath been made ready to receive its heart. Thanks in no small part to Jarek, Thaf, and Minfilia. Alas, we shall return to time to the timeless, the sentinel of stone that we may press on towards in a Batharang. Here you go, buddy. The deer brain rot? I am not watching that. Very good. Now let us begin. I'll be so real with you. I'm not watching that.
Preparations for the enchantment are complete. When the heart hath been suffused with a sufficient quantity of ether, the golem should be restored to life.
All right then. Whenever you're ready.
Ooh, I'm stressed. Guys, I think we're gonna finish Shadowbringers, like, and be in post Shadowbringers during my stream. My birthday stream. Once again, 30th of August. No? Alright. Oh, look at his face.
It's working. It's working.
Magnus.
Magnus.
Yes, 30th of August, Aloha, my love. Hi, Rudy. Welcome in, my love.
You left me for this? This wretched heap of stone
Oh,
and
he's
rubble?
upset that she got the stone for him and then died in the way. Oh. He's upset she traded her life for the stone.
This worthless pile of earth? And yet,
Thank you, Raka. I appreciate you.
I can't.
Thank you for the stretch, Rudy. Oh, Magnus, I'm so sorry. What's she doing? What the fuck is she doing? Hello? Come back.
What troubleth thee, child?
Yeah, what troubleth thee, my girl?
I shouldn't be here. I don't deserve to be. I don't deserve any of the things you've done for me. I'm just a burden, helpless and hopeless. If tomorrow came and I was gone, it would be better for everyone. Thancred most of all. He'll never admit it, but I can see it in his eyes.
My Habibi, that's not what's happening at all.
I wish he'd just say it. Just say that he hates me, that he wishes I was dead so that she could return.
Minfilia, that's not what's happening, my love. It's the opposite. It's he cares for both of
None
you.
of this is thy doing, child.
If anything, he
'Twas
doesn't want
I
to choose.
who set the oracle on her path unto the first. I who condemned you all to suffer these torments. 'Tis my sin alone, and one that will haunt me unto my dying day.
Oh, you're
I dare
Andre.
not dwell over long on my many regrets, for the world is a tapestry of fates, interwoven and inseparable.
No, literally, Triper. No,
And we
literally.
who strive to
You
better
meant
it
Alice
cannot
fucking
choose
A.
but make difficult
That's sick.
decisions. For naught of worth was ever achieved without sacrifice.
Yeah.
And thus must man ever struggle to weigh life against loss. The one for whom thou mournest beareth no grudge. Were she here, she would not suffer thee to languish in sorrow. She would tell thee to seek
Rudy,
thine
that's sick.
own path, thine own purpose. It is a truth which I myself was slow to learn.
Yeah.
Yet a truth it remaineth. Thou needst but have faith, and all will be well.
Please do, Rudy. Man, Yuriange is giving very much father. And I hope Thancred hears what Minfilia just said. Go to her. Comfort her.
Not today.
Why? Thancred, you really need to, like, talk, babes. I swear he hates conversations. He likes to talk only in tongues, literally. Like, Thancred, please, babes. In the Crystarium. Okay, what's happening at the fucking Crystarium now? Oh, he's watching us? I'm kind of creeped out by him, I will say. He scares me. I don't trust his intentions. Fully.
To what
Ash,
do
I would
owe
love
the
to see.
pleasure that is your extended stay?
Oh, to the tediousness of our hero's present endeavors. That and the insufferable abundance of light in Armorang. I should be glad to keep my distance.
Hi, Ink, my love.
Oh, I'm rather fond of sleep, you know. It's a wonderful way to pass the time.
Really? It's my least favorite
Not
way
that
to
my
pass the
compeers
time.
would agree, mind you. Always on the move, the lot of them. Like La Hebrea, constantly jumping from vessel to vessel. Such fire, such determination.
Very that, Rudy.
So much passion, fleeting and forgotten. Come to think of it, Exarch, I don't believe I've ever seen you retire to your chambers for so much as 40 winks. However do you keep your eyes from closing?
I don't think he's human, bro.
The cold shoulder. You wound me, sir.
Emmett.
Always so guarded in our every interaction. Interactions you curiously refrain from sharing with the Scions and their champion.
And risk souring your budding relationship? I think not. Much as I dislike you, there are more useful targets for her energies. And I am not in the habit of pointing her at my enemies like a weapon.
Me?
Is that right? Fond of her, are you?
Does he want me?
You continue to fascinate me, Exarch. But tell me, who are you?
Fuck if I know. He's kind of giving Graha, face-wise.
The once great nation whose
Not enough
ingenuity
yet.
gave birth to this tower was shaped by my hand. As such, I know full well the wonders it can facilitate and those it cannot. There is nothing in these walls which could have aided you in summoning our dear friend across time and space.
Okay.
Much less in possession of her mortal flesh. Not even I could have performed such a feat.
Then who was it?
I see. You had a hand in Allag as well.
Is he a primal?
You would know what I am? I am the adjudicator of the sacred history with which you dared trifle. I am keeper of this tower's boundless wisdom. The wisdom of ages without age, of everywhere and nowhere. The great work
Is he the
of those
keeper of
who
time?
tamed the wings of time and grasped the nature of the rift.
Is he the keeper of time?
'Tis a boon born of sacrifices yet unmade. The parting gift of brave heroes who will one day give their lives for a brighter future. I will not see their hopes and dreams squandered. The history which led us here will be unwritten. I promise you that.
Who are you? Is he time? Is he time? Because there's like cracks in him. And they fucked with time.
It seems we're both eager to fulfill our duties then.
What is he?
On that much, we are in agreement.
No, actually, what is he? I'm actually getting so irritated. I didn't do any of the raids for Heaven's Ward, no. I intend to do them before Endwalker, though. I do intend to do them before Endwalker, so don't worry. My apologies for the delay. Minfilia and I had a private matter to discuss, which bringeth me to the question, how didst thou find Thancred during your search? He spoke of Minfilia, of his own accord. I see. 'Tis well that he did, and with such candor. I attempted to broach the subject before. Mine intention was to ensure no words remain unspoken between them, lest tragedy intercede. A regret I myself know all too well. With Minbrida, alas, in the end he refused to heed my counsel. A time will come when they must face the reality of their circumstances, but I have faith that all will be well in time. Now, let us not tarry any longer. The Talos and Nabatha rang away. Rutro. Magnus maketh ready for our departure even as we speak. Might I prevail upon thee to inquire as to his progress? Okay. 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 Trolley. No worries, no worries, no worries, Striper, no worries. Be safe, please. Be safe. Okay. Well, thank you. It's been years since I've seen Talos in such fine shape. Would that Agna was here to see it. Or our son. Oh, Magnus, I'm sorry. I was ready to let her dreams die down in the mines, even after you found the Leonine. I refused to believe that it could work. Gods, what a fool I was. But I tell you now, I'm going to take good care of this Talos. For both their sakes. On behalf of my family and all the miners of Twine, thank you. Baker, it's because I reached level 80. Thank you for doing a core, Young. Because I reached level 80 in Summoner. And so I'm trying to reach level 80 in Paladin also. Well, enough chitter chatter. Let's get you to Nabatharang, eh? Okay. Okay, bye. Have a good time. Everything seems to be in order. A ticket to the Talos' presence revolves around the issue of the gate. Oh, that. Yes. It's designated to open at the Talos' approach. Then we can finally go to Nabatharang? Big grinding. Hell yeah. You certainly can. All that remains is a final check of the control box over at the mines. You hear that, boys? Get that Talos over there to the mines, and keep a close eye on it around the curves. Understood? Yes, sir! Let us repair to the mines, then. I am able to pick up Pictor, Viper. Before we go... While you're away with Farah, I prepared an extra set of cartridges for you. Aw, and this one, it's the practice cartridge you gave me. Orzel! Hi, baby. Hi, Angel. Hi, baby. Welcome in. If you guys don't know Orzel, you fucking better. You fucking better. Orzel is part of the Gremlin Grove, also part of our mod team. We love Orzel in this household. Please go check them out if you haven't already. And hi, baby. Thank you for the 7 months. How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? I know I should have thrown it away ages ago, but I've been adding a little extra to it every day. After so many charges, I'm honestly not sure what it will do, but I wanted you to have it for luck. Ooh, so it's like extra powered. Minfilia, We should hurry. Magnus and the others are probably wondering where we are. You were? Oh my god, how was it? And how are you? Oh my god, did you wear sunscreen? You better have worn fucking sunscreen. Just because we're brown doesn't mean we can't fucking burn, bitch. You better have worn sunscreen, I swear to God. I learned my lesson the hard way after being in Canada for like 8 years, and I went back to Egypt, and like I was like, I'm fine. I've never burnt before. It won't be a problem. Guess what? I fucking ulcered. I got like a bunch of like ulcers. Is it called that? Blisters. Sorry. But I partake in garden gummies. I love that for you. I love that for you. And I love that for you. I hope you had all the fun in the world. I hope you had all the fun in the world, baby. It's a blast. I love it. I love it. I'd love to see it. Nyar. Are garden gummies legal in San Diego? They are, right? It's fucking California. Yeah, right? Okay. I figured. I thought those were horsies for a second. I was like, oh my god. I was scared. Not that I'm scared of horses. I'm just scared of what I've done to them in Tears of the Kingdom. Unfortunately, I've actually accidentally killed horses and it made me feel so bad. I'm never gonna live that shit down. trying to avoid these coyotes, bro. I don't want to. Look, the beginning is that. Oh, okay, good to know. Okay, we can have fun. So this is it. We're finally gonna go to Nabatha Rang. I've thought long and hard about what to say to her, to the real Minfilia. I hoped when the time came I would know. With every step we take, I feel more uncertain. That's no reason to give up, though. Not when so much is at stake. Thank you, all of you, for helping me get here. Now, let's not keep Magnus waiting. Okay. There you are. So what do you think? A little primitive looking, I'll admit, but Daedalus Stoneworks has always favored a simple and intuitive design, and that philosophy has served us well enough. Much of the trolley networks uses single tracks, making it easy for the Tellus to navigate them as needed. And plotting a route is so simple, even we can do it, which makes for fewer accidents in transit. Speaking of which, are you ready to board? Yup. Watch your step. Okay, let's go. Are we ready? Are we ready, kids? Are we ready? Are we fucking ready? I'm not fucking ready.
Urianger?
Thou must needs carry on without me.
What?
The path to Nabatha Rang lieth open. Whilst thou travellest thither to the south, I would apprise Mistress Alize and the others of our progress. As circumstances permit, I will thereafter rejoin the hunt for the remaining Light Wardens.
Okay.
Magnus, will the gate close immediately after the trolley passes through?
No, it will stay open until someone closes it manually. Built that way to prevent any untimely accidents.
I love his accent. It's like sexy.
Then you and the others can meet us in Nabatha Rang after giving the Ilmorans the slip.
The slip. What a funny thing to say. I'm gonna give him the slip, alright. Just sounds weird. Yes.
Thank you for everything.
Remember, thou needst but have faith.
Why does he sound like one of those like church fuckers?
If you finished with your goodbyes, I suggest you grab hold of something. Be a shame if you took a tumble.
My center of gravity is actually quite sick, my guy.
The tracks beyond the gate aren't in the best of shape, so the trolley can only go as far as Malik.
Okay.
Godspeed.
Godspeed. Cause he's hot, Raka. Choo choo, motherfucker. My god, I don't know why, but the Talus is making me feel like, I don't know. You know, like the robot giants in that one movie? I forgot what it was called, but it's making me a little sad. I'm worried for the Tellus. I want to make sure that he's okay. That little baby. Iron Giant. Yeah, that one. That one. That one. Little baby.
Ah, that must be the gate.
Raka, please.
Well, so far so good.
Don't fucking say that, bitch. Don't fucking say that. That is like foreshadowing 101. Bad idea. Bad idea. Oh, ruh-roh.
Wait, is that Ranjit?
Oh my god, bro. Take a day off. Take a fucking day off. No, no, our Iron Giant.
You're a stubborn old swine, aren't you?
One who has mastered Gukumots fears not the blackest pit or the fieriest hell.
You're so
Your
annoying.
deeds
You should have
in
been
the
dead.
East did not go unnoticed. Long have I lain in wait, and sure enough, you did not disappoint.
You are so fucking annoying.
Had you only sworn fealty to Lord Vorthry, you'd have no cause to skulk about like frightened animals.
Like animals. Your mama. How about that, bitch?
You will remain as you are, while I dispatch these villains.
Oh, you are so annoying.
No, I won't. I won't let you.
You forget to whom you speak. Who armed you, trained you, fought and killed 1,000 sin-eaters with you? And when you were inevitably cut down and lay lifeless in my arms, who sought out your successor to carry on the futile struggle again and again?
You are not Thancred.
We seek to bring peace to what is left of this shattered land, while these mad fools would only bring further chaos down upon us. Do not be deceived, child. Only by Lord Vorthry's hand will this dying world know a sliver of salvation.
Honey, you are lost in the sauce.
I don't know about the world, but I never asked to be saved.
Yes, bad bitch. Eat him
However
alive.
much it hurts, and however hard it gets. It's my life, and I want to live it on my own
Hot
terms.
topic.
And those mad fools you want me to abandon, the ones I've traveled with, fought with, and may one day die with, they feel the same. So
Yeah.
no, I will not be deceived. No matter what you say, I refuse to believe it's all for nothing.
Oh, Minfilia.
They're everything to me. All I have, and all I need. And I would gladly do anything for them. Let us pass, or kill me. I'm not leaving here without them.
大丈夫でしょ。だって君、弱いもん。
Welcome in, Purple Dungeon Master. Welcome in, welcome in. How are you? How is Stardew? Oh my god, lovely to meet you. Hi, hi, hi. Welcome in. And welcome in, Salty Cactus. Welcome in, Lizimo. Hi, y'all. If you don't know me, I am Farah. I'm a full-time content creator and streamer. I am currently playing Final Fantasy XIV for the first time. We're currently in Shadowbringers, and I am loving it very much. We're in the middle of a pretty deep cutscene, it feels like, to be honest. There's a lot of deep feelings involved. 1 second. Let me lower the camera a bit. But welcome in, y'all. Welcome in. If you guys need to go raid and run, please feel free to do so. Or if you would like to hang out, I would love to have you. Join if you would like. Rest if you would like. It's lovely to have you all. And thank you again for the raid. I appreciate it very, very much. Welcome in, gamers. Today sometimes. It is. It is. Sorry, I have to adjust the camera sometimes. I apologize.
How dare you?
I apologize.
Very well. If you would cast your lot with villains, then you shall share their fate.
Villains my ass. The only villains are the motherfuckers who gave you that haircut. How about that? Why does it feel like Thancred's gonna die? If Thancred dies, I'm actually gonna lose it.
I heard what you said, and I'm sorry for all the things I've left unspoken. You have to go, now!
Thancred, no!
Go! Do what you came here to do.
Thancred,
I'll
please
not
don't
have
die.
you waste that newfound resolve on me. I leave her in your hands. Hurry!
I swear to God, if Thancred dies, I'm gonna lose my shit. Just a very smart barber. Real. Thancred, please be okay.
Not another step. Your fight is with me.
He's so hot.
You think yourself her protector?
Am I a paladin?
As
I
if
am.
A whelp like you could be a better father to her than me.
You too? Oh, slay. I'm a commoner / paladin, half. Or black mage, I guess. Third. Oh, fuck off. I'm gonna be playing as him as a gunbreaker. Fuck! Dude, no, I've never done gunbreaker before. Oh, fuck me. Executes following weapon skills in succession. Delivers a jumping attack. Okay. So this is heal. Okay.
Come on!
Don't touch me, ho. Get up, Thinker. Get up! Thancred, baby. Piano calligraphy. Can we kill this idiot now, please? I'm tired of this. Oh, I don't want to play as Thancred. I hate when I'm playing as other characters. I literally hate it. I know we're supposed to like it and think it's cute and uwu, but like I really don't like it. Brother. Literally wanted to for expansion. It's so annoying.
Well,
vanity.
Let me go, Fang.
Feast of my blood, answer my call.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, that is quite sick. That is quite sick. You have to admit that, right? Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Oh, vote. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Oh, fuck. Is he gonna use the thing? He should use that super imbued thing that the Minfilia gave him, bro. Thancred, baby. Ah!
When will you learn?
And your actions have consequences! Oh god, what are those? Oh no! Oh no! Oh, that's sick.
Not good.
What's not good? No, please don't die. You begin to... No, baby, take the shot! Thancred. Your life is not a small price to pay, I swear to fucking god, Thancred. I swear to god, Thancred. No worries. Have a great time, Raka. Have a great time. Enjoy hanging out with your cat. Makes you want to fight something too? Oh, okay. I hope it's in game. And not in life. No fighting IRL, please. Babes. Oh! You never understood her. Aww. Thancred. Come on, Thancred. Thancred, please, baby, please. Don't die. Please don't die. Please don't die. Please don't die.
And you presume to be her protector? Pathetic!
You're saying pathetic like you're not the one halfway down to death, but okay. Cunt bag. He's not okay.
order!
Yes, baby. Thancred. He dead. Who's dead? He's not fucking dead. My baby's not dead.
Yeah.
I'm okay. Oh my god. Can we please kill him? I know we don't kill much people in this game, but can we please actually like murder something? Okay, wait, can we murder him? I'm actually doing okay, which I'm pretty proud of, to be honest. Considering I've also never done Gunbreaker. Oh god. Oh! Please, buddy. Run away, run away. I'm too used to being a fucking DPS. I know how to run. I'm fine. Inshallah.
Why do you persist in this folly?
But it's not folly. You fucking toad.
Is that all?
Oh, for fuck's sake. Wait, he can see me? Fuck.
Fools to a man!
Please, please don't find him. Fuck! Thancred. Thancred, come on, baby. Thancred, please. Thancred, get up! Am I doing something wrong? Am I doing something wrong? My baby. Why can't I fire it? Thank you, Minfilia, for this precious gift. Is he dying? Ingrid.
You would have her suffer and die. I would spare her that fate.
She doesn't want to be saved by you.
That is not for you or anyone else to decide ever again.
Ingrid. No. No.
Not a single day goes by that I don't think about all that you have given me. Countless memories and moments I took for granted. Gods, you grew up so fast.
Ingrid?
But you had to, didn't you? For those you had lost.
For
those you could yet save. A world teetering on the very brink of oblivion, for which you gave your everything, without hesitation.
Ingrid, please, 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 please,
Your
please.
kindness, your compassion, your
Hey,
love.
Lindsay.
Then and now.
Ingrid, please.
One last time, with a little help. I'm so proud to have been a part of your life. Oh, Minfilia.
What did he say? What did he say? Did he say like I love you? He didn't die, did he? He's not dead, right? He's not dead. He's not dead. This is the place, Farah. This is where she stopped the flood. The last time I was here, when I felt her presence overwhelming me, I tried to pretend it wasn't happening, to just turn away. But I can't turn away now, not this time. For Thancred and the others, I have to face her. He's not dead. He's not dead. I'm sorry, he's not dead. I can sense her presence, albeit faintly. Come on, let's look over there by the crystal wall. No. He's not fucking dead. He's not fucking dead. He's not fucking dead. What did he say? What did he say? He definitely said like I love her. I love you. something like that. Right? Like, right? What clip? What do you mean? Holy shit.
Is this...
Run for your lives! It's the flood! The flood!
It's giving Moses.
The end is nigh!
Look! There's somebody up there! On top of the palace!
Hydaelyn? It's giving Moses. Oh. The warriors of light from this world. Wait, does Ardbert still have to give her the power?
No, stand back.
Why not?
We shall stay the flood.
But this is what I want. It's my sacrifice to make.
You're needed for something else.
Your time has not yet come.
Does he have to give it to me or the younger
When all
Minfilia?
hangs in the balance, you must give them hope.
Minfilia!
Does he have to give the power to little Minfilia? Minifillia?
This place.
Good that you don't remember because you're not supposed to answer. Oh my god, she's on the water. She's Jesus. We are Jesus.
You.
Ours is a meeting long overdue. Full glad am I that we may finally speak.
Momfilia. It's good to see you again.
My dear, sweet child.
So real, Link.
Yours is a burden none should ever be forced to bear. Such pain and suffering you have endured.
Hi, Gia, welcome in.
Yet still you came. For this and more, I thank you.
Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Jesus-y?
I've lost count of the times I've almost given up. If people hadn't helped me every step of the way, I never would have made it.
Yet here you stand.
Super, thank you.
Resolved.
Thank you, my love.
Now, tell me your heart's desire.
I want a full buffet. I want a surf and turf. I want an Oreo sandwich, ice cream sandwich.
To defeat the Sin Eaters and bring this world back from the brink. The remaining wardens have hidden themselves from us.
Don't.
But with the power of the Oracle, I thought we might be able to find them.
Indeed you could. Their radiance would be unmistakable. But know, my child, that the power you seek will come at a price. We stand now at the crossroads. A decision must be made. Tis only natural to be afraid, to hesitate. But for your many trials, you have grown stronger and wiser.
She has.
And with the love and support of those you hold dear,
what would I decide?
You have grown to love yourself.
I would take the burden, if I'm being honest. Why she can be barefoot? Because she forgot her shoes at the function.
The flood has washed away so much of this world. So many people and places and possibilities. And all the heroes who fought to protect them.
Yeah.
Yet here the Scions are, trying so hard to help those few of us who remain.
No, Andrew.
And seeing how tirelessly they work,
no.
How completely committed they are to the cause. I can't help but believe.
Oh, it happened to you. Love that. We love free bread, if it's sourdough especially.
I want to do more than just watch and cheer. I want to make a difference.
Oh.
I want to help them like they helped me, and maybe even inspire others to do the same.
Miniphilia.
Coming together, providing for one another. That's the only way forward I can see. Since all of our heroes are gone, we'll just have to make heroes of ourselves.
Oh. Oh.
'Tis a beautiful, wonderful dream. One we share. Though my power was all but spent in staying the flood, I prayed this final act would give hope to those who survived. That self-same hope lives on in you. It gives me comfort to know that the future is in capable hands.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
If ever you should falter, remember this. No one, however powerful, is immune to the whisperings of doubt and despair.
Real. Very real.
Do not give in to them. But do not deny them.
Thank you, Minfilia, for believing in us.
B.O.B. and they calling you Bob. So real, G. Oh, goodbye, Minfilia.
Dearest friend, no words can express my gratitude to you for keeping her safe in these tumultuous times. You are a hero to us both. But not even the most valiant heroes can stand alone.
Ardbert will be with me.
Together, may you change the fate of two worlds.
Yeah, me and Ardbert. Me and Ardbert. I knew it. I fucking knew it. She's telling me a hit. This is so depressing. Miniphilia! You okay? Miniphilia, are you okay? Hi, Allie, welcome in. Can we get a shout out for Allie? I love Allie. Allie's playing a lot of Fields of Mysteria. What the fuck? Her hair is orange. She became a ginger. What happened? I remember speaking with Minfilia and then... So when two blondes procreate, they make a ginger? Is something wrong? Wait, her eyes changed too? I didn't notice. What are her eyes? Wait, I didn't see her eyes. Oh, her eyes are different too, yeah. A parting gift, I think. They're not as, like... Yeah, Minfilia's gone. She was always supposed to be Ginger. Until now, I've walked the path she set before me, the path she set before all the Minfilias. But she's giving me a new path, a new life. That I can call my own. Bad time? Never a bad time to have you, I love you! And even though she's gone, I can still feel her, warm and calm and gentle. I can feel the beating heart of the world, the light and the spells within it. Oh, I'm just depressed. Oh, I'm just depressed. And the Light Wardens, there's one here in Elmerang. Let's hurry back, the others need to know. She's no longer giving me the Gojo stare. You don't think Thinker will be angry with me, do you? No, what the fuck? Not at all. Hi, Cap. Welcome in. I'm just like depressed. I'd like to think so too, but... Would you mind going on ahead? I'll be right behind you, I promise. Girl, I was just tasked to take care of you. This is dumb as fuck. Ali spurted the Gremlin Grove, also one of my best friends. Also plays a lot of Fields of Mysteria and Valorant. And is really goated at FPS. Can't relate though, you know. No, Thancred isn't fucking dead. Thancred isn't fucking dead. Thancred isn't fucking dead. They didn't confirm that he was dead. He was just saying goodbye to Minfilia. Don't fucking even. Thancred isn't fucking dead. Sorry. I realized, by the way, after watching, and this is so cringe, by the way, guys. I've been watching Love Island USA, and there's this girl called Kaylor, which who the fuck names their child Kaylor? Anyways, first of all, second of all, she's a lovely girl, right? But she cries so much to the point that I was just like, oh my god. Oh my god. And then I started thinking, I'm like, oh my god, this is me. Oh my god, this is me. So now I'm just really trying hard not to be a crybaby. Because as I'm watching it, I'm like, I don't want to be that. I don't want to be that. I don't want to be that. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. I get it now. Why people keep calling me a crybaby and making fun of me. I get it now. I don't want to be a crybaby anymore. I'm tired. Don't be a Kaylor. I don't want to be a Kaylor. WWK ND. What would Kaylor not do? I will fight whoever said that. So many people said that. You'd have to fight a mob. Unfortunately, the people who watch my reaction content are also emotional vampires. It's something y'all have in common, eh? I'm just a crybaby. Guys, like, I literally don't wear my heart on my sleeve. I wear it on my fingertips, bro. I'm built different, dude. I didn't mean to do that one. Don't you dare attack Otis, bitch. Ingrid! Oh, thank God. My baby. My baby's okay.
Ah, there you are. We were worried.
You're so hot when you're worried.
Really? She wasn't the one that nearly got herself killed. It's a good thing Urianger called on us when he did. You were at death's door when we found you.
Thank God.
But thanks to your timely ministrations, I was not obliged to walk through it.
Minfilia, guys, look at my new makeover. I'm Ginger. Come on, Minnie. Can we get her like a bob? Can we give her a haircut? Okay. She'd be so cute with short hair. Oh.
You saw her.
Thancred.
I know I haven't exactly been pulling my weight up till now, but that's all going to change, starting today. I'll do whatever it takes to make Minfilia's dream a reality.
Oh.
I can track the Light Wardens now, maybe even help you fight them.
I'm glad you're back.
Oh. He got to say his goodbye to Minfilia.
You don't have to say that.
I mean, Minnie, he really cares about you, dummy.
But I want to.
Hi, Gran.
Your family. How else would I feel?
Oh,
she will need
fuck off.
A name?
A name that's not Minfilia, yeah.
A name of her own. I would not have her walk in the shadow of another any longer.
Gingerly.
I think it a fitting tribute to our departed friend too. At the mention of Minfilia, I would remember the woman who preserved our fellowship when all seemed lost.
Gingilia. It does kind of gingilitis.
Do you remember what you were called before you were taken to
Gingilus. Ginger ale.
I'm sorry, I don't. I couldn't have been very old when it happened.
Ginger ale.
Then we must think of a new name. Suggestions?
Bartholomew. Oh, they're just looking at me. Oh no, looking at Dacrid. He's gonna name her.
If the lady herself has no preference, I think the honor should rightly fall to Thancred. After all they have been through together, he's practically a father to her.
He really is!
Well spotted. I'm so glad you're here to explain these things.
And what exactly is that supposed to mean?
Oh, nothing.
Oh my god. Shirley said, okay, thank you, Captain Obvious.
What about...
Literally. Rain?
Ah, blessing in Fae. Wait, doth this mean thou wert listening when I delivered my lectures on the Pixies?
Apparently.
Not exactly, but that one word made an impression.
That's what he's concerned about. If he had engaging PowerPoint
if it's not
slides.
your liking, I can think of something else.
I will say that this is the most attractive thing about a man, being a dad. Okay, I am ready to gobble up his dick in like 2 seconds, like glock, like no worries. I am on my knees, daddy. Like we could go behind a stall. Oh,
settles it then.
hot.
Welcome aboard, Reen.
I won't let you down.
You're engaged, yeah, and he's not real. And it's fine. I am ready. I'm not a kid and I'm an adult. Behave. I'm just like depressed right now. I'm gonna be so honest. I don't honestly know how to repay you for all that you've done, but I promise to do whatever I can to help. Are you certain you're up to fighting so soon? I can imagine the power of the Oracle is something one learns to wield in the space of a few hours. Maybe not, but the presence of the Light Wardens is unmistakable to me now. In fact, I sense one here in Amareng, to the west. I think I might be hiding in underground. Yes, super. Very that. Underground. Then it's as we suspected. We thought it prudent to take a brief survey of the area prior to your arrival. To the west, we find the remains of a site known as Malika well. Malika means queen in Arabic. Fun fact. Hi, Yensid. If I recall correctly, the well was built in remembrance of one of our ancient kings, Nabatha-Reng, to serve as a source of respite from the desert heat. It fell into the disuse after the flood, whereupon the miners of Amareng thought to turn part of it into an excavation site. Oh. Judging by its size, the underground waterways are no doubt extensive, the perfect hiding place for a warden. Reen, are you certain you can track it down? Leave it to me. Then it's settled. We'll make for Malika as well. I'm emotionally damaged right now. Honest to God. Like, this is a lot. Just a reminder, y'all. If you don't follow Yensid, please go follow Yensid. Yensid's also been playing a lot of Final Fantasy. We're trying to get Yensid to speedrun through ARR and Heavensward so that, he can join our free company and stop being on free trial. He has romantic feelings for her? Ew. I didn't get romantic from him to her, honestly. I just thought of like familial. It felt familial to me. I mean, no, Beth, come on. We can let somebody fucking speedrun ARR. Come on now. He does not have very much. Okay, I figured as much. It very much. It very much felt very familial to me. It's here. I can taste its ether on the wind. And I'm 10th welcome in. Then we finally found our mark. A reminder, if you're enjoying the stream, to please give me a follow. It helps support me and the stream. Thank you. Let's put an end to this fair and return the night sky to Amareng. They really talk about it more in early. Do they really? A dungeon! Anybody want to do this with me? Anybody want to do this fucking dungeon with me, guys? Super, what the fuck? Controversy, because it feels so empty without me. Super, thank you so much for gifting 5 fucking subs. They went to Gun and Grage, Birdie Boss, Synonym, that's a nice name, Wordo, and Valo Art. Thank you so much for gifting 5 fucking subs. Gia, you're so fucking real. Super, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you so much. Thank you. Thank you. You want to join? Okay. Blue, do you want to join? Jasper. KQ is Jasper, right? I'm gonna be Paladin, Bubba. I'm gonna be Tink. I'm gonna be Tink. I'm a Tinker. And Super, thank you so much again. I appreciate you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm on my potato laptop. My potato. My potato. 1 second, I'm trying to figure something out. What up, what up? I turned off my monitor. Help, Lord. Ah! I sound like Chance the Rapper right now. Help. Lord, help me. I turned off my monitor. Everything's to shit. I can't see anything. Ah! Ah! But they went back to Crystal? Homophobia is rampant in today's society. Okay. Alright. Fine, I guess. Fine. Anybody else want to join? Perhaps? Anybody? No? Sag. Alright. Beth, I'm going to be tanker. Let's go. Yar. A DPS and a tank. I'm on my potato laptop and it takes 5 minutes to load every zone. That is... I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I need to pee so bad right now. But it says 6 minutes. So give me a bit and I'll be right back. I need to go pee. I just broke my gua sha. No. No. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go to the fucking bathroom. I am back, hose. I was half expecting it to be like, oh, it's ready. But no. No, no ready check for me. Why would it ever be ready check for me? Gosh dang it. Gosh dang nabbit. Hi, hi. Hoi, hoi. Just gonna casually sit here and fucking wait. 3 more minutes, guys. 3 more minutes. God allows. Lord have mercy. But I'm nearly done with my dungeon. Ooh, love that. Love that you're almost done. Which dungeon are you doing? Oh, probably something I'm not aware of, probably. Yeah. Every time you guys are in a dungeon, it's always some shit I haven't come across yet. What are they doing, even? Bismillah. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Oh my god, you scared the shit out of me. Every time I'm scared of the fucking alerts. It's so embarrassing. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my god, we're 75% of the way to completing our sub goal. What the fuck? That's so close. What the hell? Thank you guys so much for contributing. I appreciate you. Da, 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 da. After this, I can fly in the area, which I don't know about you, but I think that's pretty litty titty city committee. That's just me though. Yar. Dun. And then we only have like a few more quests left before we're finished, which is fucking crazy. Fucking crazy. And by few, I don't mean like a little. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 quests so far. Yeah, 22 quests after I finished my level 77 ones, which is fucking weird. No, literally, Beth, like, I feel like I'm speedrunning it or something, but, like, I'm literally not, though. I'm just enjoying my ride. Like, I actually am very much enjoying my ride, and I'm enjoying it very much. And I personally feel like I'm going slow because I'm only doing, like, a level amount per stream. And I'm like, oh, I'm going really slow this time. But for some reason, it feels like I'm going super fast. Like, I'm only doing a stream per level. But for some reason, like, because in Stormblood, I was doing 20 quests. 20 fucking quests a stream. But now, I don't know what the fuck's going on. If I finish Dawn Trail, honest to God, I might catch up to you in Dawn Trail if it comes to my birthday stream and, like, we keep the timer up. We're fucked. We're so fucked. 2,500 times 2, that's 5,000. What's 5,000 minutes in... That's 83 hours. Fuck me. That's 83 hours. Fuck me. That's like 8 days of consistent streams. Fuck me. Well, technically 9 because we start off with a 10-hour counter. The pacing is better in Shadowbringers. I will agree. Yes, I will agree. Yes. Yep. Very much so, yes. Stormblood felt a little slightly disorganized, I will say. I did appreciate that the two regions had very much similar themes of like being, you know, overtaken and like refugees in the situation and everything like that. It was very much similar in that way, but it also felt a little scattered and unorganized. It would have been nice had we focused on one region at a time vibe, and if we had actually spent a longer time exploring the culture of each area, in my opinion. Shadowbringers, on the other hand, I feel is really good. Like, you're taking your time slowly with each area and the storylines and really starting to understand, and like they're doing a lot of foreshadowing and like exploration of themes, and I really like that, dude. Beth, we've been waiting for 7 minutes and 40 seconds, even though the average wait time is 6 minutes. Can you fucking believe this shit? Hi, Go. Welcome in. Welcome in. How are you? Go, I've been overusing this fucking mount a lot. A lot. Look at it. That is how math works. Yes. Start to finish. I'm excited. We will still have to do post Shadowbringers, and we're gonna have to do the Heaven Ward raids. We're gonna have to do Bahamut Coils. We're gonna have to do the Stormblood raids and the Alliance raids, the trials. Fuck me. Do we think that I can get through all of that in my birthday stream? Ash, yeah, I didn't buy it, and Super, it is a Dawn Trail mount. Yeah, Go gave it to me. Hi, Witch. Welcome in. Welcome in. That's what she has. Oh, yeah. 100% Go. Yeah. 100%. Yeah. Yeah. Totally finished Dawn Trail. That's why I'm in Shadowbringers right now. I like how she glitches on the top. That's a glitch. That's literally a glitch. What the fuck? I found a glitch. Developers hire me. See, it's glitching. See, it doesn't work. Oh, fuck. 9 minutes and 31 seconds. What the fuck? Average wait time, my ass. I'm above average. Did you hear about the Wukong game and agreement? No. What is Wukong? What the fuck is Wukong? No, don't be sorry. What the hell? But it's fun. Well, I'm happy that it was fun. Could always go with NPCs? Absolutely not. After I've experienced that once, I'm done. I'm so done. What the fuck is Wukong? Yeah, Ash, I think you should quit. What are your thoughts on that? It's a great idea, right? Quit. I love talking to my friends who have like normal people jobs, and I'm like, just quit. Just quit. Yeah, just quit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Kira, welcome in. Welcome in, Kira. Hi, baby. Welcome in. Welcome in, Michelle. Welcome in, Beth. Welcome in, Kira. Kira, how is your stream? Can we get a shout out for Kira, please? Hi, baby. I wish I could I wish I could quit. Yeah. I know, baby. I know. If it makes you feel any better, I quit last year and it was a nightmare, and I definitely could not financially support myself. But, you know, some of us don't have, you know, working prefrontal cortexes. Do you want a healer? Oh, Maddie, it just happened. I appreciate you though. That's so sweet. Thank you for caring. Normally I would love that. Yes, 100% would love that. But y'all, if you don't know me, I'm Fair. I'm a full-time content creator and streamer. I am currently playing Final Fantasy 14. Kira, I advise you to look the fuck away this instant. I'm doing a dungeon that you haven't seen yet. Did you hear that? The music's nice. Hi. First time doing this dungeon. Oh, the music's nice. And realistically, neither of us can afford. You're so real. Me too. Me too. It's so real. It is honestly a huge privilege that I was able to quit. I will say. I couldn't function as a human being anymore. Like, it was actually getting like really disastrously bad. In the future though, Maddie, if you'd like to join in on dungeons, I would love it. I would love it if you did. Love you, Kira. Love you, Kira. Please go take care of yourself. Enjoy dinner. Yeah, you'd get unemployment, right? That's a thing. I thought, isn't it called, there's a word for it, right? When you get fired, there's a term for it, right? I forgot the term. I remember I learned it from friends because they were trying to fire him so hard. No, not layoff. No. I'm not talking about the slang for getting fired. I'm talking about the severance. Severance. Thank you. Severance pay. Thank you so much. That makes a lot of sense. Yeah, honestly, I know a lot of people don't quit until they, you know, land employment in a better situation. I'm not salaried. Oh, okay, that's stressful. Okay. Also, hi, Second. I hope you're well, my love. Sucks when you work overtime. Yeah, I was salaried and I worked overtime every single day, guys. Every single fucking day. Did I get overtime once? No. Guess how many vacation days I got, guys? Guess how many vacation days I got? 10. Was I even... And guess what? 5 of those had to be used for Christmas. Otherwise, I wouldn't get paid. How many sick days? 2. I don't know how that was legal. That shouldn't have been legal. What's up, Ho? Come on, Pharaoh. Only use for Christian. No, isn't that fucking crazy? I still think about that. I was like, that should have been illegal, right? Here, bitch ass. I don't know, Maple Leaf laws, bro. No, neither did I. Neither did I. I had no idea what I was doing. It was my first job, like corporate job ever. I was so confused. I am Muslim and I did have to work through Eid. Because it's not a statutory holiday in this country, unfortunately. It was awful. Usually you just call out sick. I mean, I wasn't allowed to. I only had 2 days. Give me a second, guys. Nice. Wait, what? I would usually shoot if we were, but thinking my boss basically won't let me anyway. Must have been nice. Mine would force me to drive like for 3 to 4 hours just to go to visit specific locations of the business because people didn't want to fucking message me. I don't. I used to, Super. I used to. I'm a full-time content creator now, thank God. No, I used to. Yeah, I used to do that, and I used to stream at 7 a.m. like I think 5 times a week. Job sucks, but she's awesome. We love that. I was gonna say, when do you sleep? I didn't sleep much those times. I honestly, super honestly, during those times, I didn't sleep. I really didn't. It was awful. Like, I really wasn't a functioning person, and I mean that. But I love that, what's it called? I love that your boss is nice. That makes everything so much better. Overtime wasn't required. That's such bullshit. They always say that shit. She's sleeping now. This is just auto. Yeah, this is a bot. This is AI. Please spare me. Hehehe. Buddy, fuck off. Ah! Ah! At the last job, they always told us overtime wasn't required, but then if we didn't do it... Oh, fuck off. It's like, you're not committed to the job. Fuck off. You just, but Neurosama is literally AI makes bank for it. Wait, are you serious? Wait, that's actually like a thing? That shouldn't be legal, I fear. I don't think that should be legal. Not AI taking my job. I always didn't really understand the concept of like, I don't know, like supporting an AI creator because like, first of all, don't you want to relate to somebody? You know, like, wouldn't you want to relate to a human being? Isn't that what part of makes a creator good? Vidal, her creator. Oh, okay, that doesn't count. No, that doesn't count. Facts and real, Ash. I don't know, it's just like really scary that the idea that people can like feel like they can relate to an AI in any format. Like, have you guys seen those like AI generated songs? What the fuck? What the fuck are those? What the fuck are those? Yeah, that's true. I just think AI in general, especially for art, is that is foul to me. That is incredibly foul. When it comes to AI that's used for, I don't know, like actually like helpful things in day-to-day life, okay, fine. Like auto captioning. I fuck heavy with that. Fuck heavy with that, right? Okay? But anything like, I don't know, man, things that like replace humanity or like things that like steal from humans, I don't think that's appropriate. Yeah, exactly. Or people who make songs out of like voices of like artists who have passed away. I think that is so beyond the level of fucked up. That's like, I think that's so inappropriate in ways that I can't even begin to describe. It's just so inappropriate. Ooh, can you explain that to me, Ash? I actually don't know much about that. How is it terrible for the environment? Can you give a counterpoint? Sure. Cryptocurrency's trash. Cryptocurrency's a joke. Like, I don't know who the fuck fell for that shit. I'm sorry. Or like the NFT shit. No, because why the fuck were some people buying NFTs of like farts? Like, actually, like, is that a joke? Oh, that's what you mean. It uses electricity. Okay, I didn't know that. The more you know. I didn't know that. Interesting. Okay. Interesting. I'm attacking both at the same time, might as well. No, see, this is the thing is, Super. I actually do think that some AI can be very, very, very beneficial. Things that can, like, help people versus replace people, I think is very beneficial, to be honest. Like auto captioning, for example, things like that. I wouldn't know much about medical AI, but I'm sure AI that can be used in medicine in tandem with doctors that like can go through it and stuff can help them go through like possible like diagnoses and shit like that. That is super interesting. That is super beneficial, I'm sure. I'm sure there are real benefits. I'm sure there are, but some of them are very, very dangerous. What the fuck? That thing was so scary looking. Yeah, it's definitely not all AI. Not all AI, but definitely a lot of AI. You know what I'm saying? Exactly. 100%. Exactly. Exactly. What are you guys doing? Oh. Yeah, they can be trained on races that correct. I do know that I did like one of my minors in university was social studies of medicine. And God knows that the fucking data that's been done is not at all used or done on like people of color. Yeah. My favorite strat ever is to just follow the crew. I will read that in a hot second because I can't read right now. I'm on death's door. Yo. I'm on death's door, actually. Oh my god. I don't know how to fight this guy. Buddy. Oh, you're done with work. Let's fucking go. Nice! Thank you, Beth. I tried. Not to have her. That's the mechanic messing with me at first. I will get into the conversation that we're having in a second. Let me just go to the cutscene if that's okay. Guys, I think it's important, while conversation and discussions is important, it's also important to just, like, I do have to make my position known that I am very much anti-AI for art. There's a difference between learning art versus stealing, like, style of art, in my opinion. And I do feel that AI very much steals art styles from creators, as I've literally seen happen to some of my friends. Like, some AI literally copy paste the art. It's actually, like, embarrassingly gross. So I will say that, like, you know, we can agree to disagree and just, like, close the conversation, because, like, I don't want us to have, like, I don't want it to be an issue. Thank you. Thank you, Bobo. I appreciate you so much. I couldn't give anybody anything. Yeah, people do learn from others, but they don't steal from others. There's a difference. I don't think AI knows the difference between learning versus stealing. I don't think they have that discernment at the end of the day. You know? I'm very much
Don't get me wrong, I'm glad
anti-AI
those
art.
travellers made it all the way to Nabatha Reng. But when Urianger told me the Talos was in pieces, and the trolley didn't look much better, I couldn't help wondering what in the hell's had gone on.
What indeed? At least the heart is in one piece. The rest is replaceable.
Dude, the Warrior of Light's gonna get fucked up now. It's too many Wardens of Light.
It's a miracle they survived.
You can say that again.
Are we surviving though?
Are you seeing this?
You guys are getting nighttime. Good night. Have a good night. Good times. Let's go, Beth. Congrats. Is that why I kept seeing the Grim Reaper? Was that you? I was like, who the fuck brought fucking death in here? That was you. Okay, that's cute. I liked it. It was sick. Let's fucking go us, dude. That was really hard. That was a hard, like, final boss. I was still very confused by the mechanics there. I was trying my best, though. Jesus Christ. That was difficult as fuck. That poor healer, bro. That poor fucking healer. They carried me, dude. They carried the shit out of me. No, literally. Hard but fun.
At last.
Can be said about
Night
many things.
has returned to Amareng. We'll save this broken world yet, Tesleen. You see if we do.
Thank you, Gimp. Literally, bro. Oh, fuck me.
No doubt retreating in the wake of the Warden's demise.
Back to Calusia, the last refuge of light.
Home to our dear Lord Vorphy.
Guys, what's Gingilia's name again?
Everything in his power to thwart
I forgot.
us.
As well he should. For defeat there would spell the end
Reen?
for both
Okay.
him and his heavenly host. There the fate of this star shall be decided.
Yep. I fear that we are speedrunning this expansion, gamers. No, literally, Triper, her fit is giving Gingilia. We did it. We really did it. I only wish that there was time to visit the inn. We can better. Also, welcome back, Triper. I hope your return of the night has granted the residents some shred of comfort. They thought the world beyond changing, but today I think we proved them wrong. We will fix this broken lane, Farah. Together. Yeah, and I'm gonna fucking die. I'm gonna fucking die. It'd be nice if any of you fucking cared. Triper, I shit you not. I was in the fucking dungeon. My brain wasn't here, bro. I was reading, but not really. Triper, it's so weird. Do you even know what wallahi means? Do you even know what wallahi means? Who taught you that? Who the fuck taught you that word? I swear on God. No, it literally means by the name of God. Like, I swear. It's like super Muslim. I was like, oh my God, Triper, I didn't know you were a Muslim king. Let's go. Slay. I taught you? Damn, my alter ego was tripping balls. Shit. I'm teaching bitches things that I'm not even fucking aware of. Wallahi. Wallahi, bro, I'm Muslim. I remember. Triper Muslim era. I love that for you. Are you feeling alright, Farah? After you defeated the light ward and I could swear I saw its ether. Yep, go in me. Never mind. I'm getting used to my powers. It's probably nothing. I'm just relieved I was right about where the warden was hiding. That last one is hiding in Clusia, isn't it? I can't feel it from here, believe it or not. But perhaps we should head back to the Crystarium first. We have a lot to tell the Exarch, and I think we could all do with some rest. Bro, I cannot wait to find out who the fuck the Exarch is. It's giving Keeper of Time. She sees it too then. Yep. And I feel it in my pussy. How about that? Of course, the moment we unlock flight, we leave. Of course. Of course, Yani. Of course. Beautiful. Dick. Oh, I got 2 player commendations. Now it's wallahi. Yeah, homophobia is rampant in today's society. Apparently that's one of my favorite like stems pretty much. I don't have commendations. I only have 117 because I played the majority of this game as a commoner super and nobody commends commoners even though I revived so many fucking healers. I was neglected. And or with friends. That too. That too. That's shocking. I have friends. The others are with the Exarch. Before we join them, there is something I wish to confirm. I know. They're so real. They said, listen, you have friends. You can handle not getting commendations, okay? I was like, you know what? I'll take it. You know, this is the L I'm willing to have. Thank you for the lurk. Tell me, Reed. Have you noticed anything peculiar about Farah's appearance as of late? Anything at all? Speak freely. She won't mind. Okay, don't speak on my name. Well, since Minfilia has bequeathed her power to me, she bequeathed. She's like queefed on. I've never been able to see the light inside her, though I didn't think anything of it at first. But after we defeated the warden in Amarang, I realized something was wrong. You absorbed its ether, Farah, and the light within you has grown monstrous. Then it is as I expected. How are you feeling? Well, I feel a little gassy, actually. Okay. I told you. Farah. My mind is breaking. Help me. Monsters like her dick. Real. If not is done, this will only get worse. Reen, with the power of the Oracle, you have gained some measure of control over light, have you not? Is there anything you can do for her? Can't she take the power of the light from me since she can handle it or some shit? Extinguishing is out of the question. Even at her strongest, Minfilia could only hold back the light. I might be able to suppress it, but I don't know for how long. Then we have no choice but to rely on Urianger and his secrets. If the next battle is to be at the last, you may yet be able to play your part, but you will need all your strength. I will discuss strategy with the others and see what everything is made ready for our departure. You are to return to your chambers and rest until then, understood? I like it when you boss me around. Yes, mother. Yeah, mommy. Yes, mommy. Ha! None of that, cheek, or I will take you across my knee. I mean, gladly, mommy. She really said she'd spank me. Does she think I would say no? Guys, she said, I'm going to bend you over and spank your ass. You guys, does she think I'm going to say no? Yeah, no, for free? Like, baby girl, I have no issues. I will literally bark. Woof, mommy, woof. Baby, I was literally, I had the most impulsive thought in humanity. I was literally about to get on my knees on camera. That would have been a really big problem for us all. Thank the Lord. I have some restraint today. Can we get a shout out for Omni? You guys, I was actually about to like get on my knees. Like full like fours for a second there. That was actually like, it actually happens a lot to me where I like don't catch myself. Whoa. Dude, I even felt my body go like this. Dude. Oh, guys, as my mods, I beg, not intrusive, impulsive. Big difference. It's important not to call those intrusive thoughts because I have OCD. And those are different.
It's time to stop.
My intrusive thoughts are like, murder them.
No more.
That's different.
Where the fuck are your parents?
Who are your parents?
I'm gonna call
Child Protective Services.
It's time.
No, don't be sorry. It's okay. It's okay. You don't have to be sorry. A lot of people don't know the difference. It's totally fair and valid. You don't have to be sorry, my love. Dude, the urge is still there. As my mods, I need you all to keep me in check during my birthday stream thing because I will not be like lucid after 10 hours of streaming every day. Because I think I might end up on all fours at one point. Really good. Joji? Yeah, I know. He's really good, right? Guys, can I let her take me across the knee? Now, off with you to the pendants. We will call for you when the time comes. Yes, mommy. Bark. Woof, woof. Anything for you, mommy. Ma'am, are you free on Thursday? Because I am free on Thursday. Are you free Thursday? I'm actually going bowling on Thursday, so I'm actually not free Thursday. So sad. Hi, Leah. Bismillah. I like how it like comes up with that like random fucking like presentation animation. That's so funny. I want to go bowling, as you should. Let's go bowling together. Guys, come on, please come to Toronto. Come hang out with me. It's free. You also get free boarding. Free rent. Free lodging is the word, not rent. Thank you. Thank you so much. The animation is random. It'll be different every time. I hope you enjoy that. Thank you, Triper, for the beautiful suggestion. Don't tempt me with a good time. I'm not tempting. It is a suggestion. Or rather, a demand, y'all. Have I been to Vancouver Island? I've been to Vancouver, yes. I've been there recently to go celebrate my brother's graduation. Hi, Leah. Brayden. Leah. Leah. When Leah's here, I have to not stream.
Yeah.
So this is where you've been. Not Beth leaving the party. Wait, what's Simon Fraser? I don't know what that is.
And sometimes the dead would rather not be disturbed.
Wow, Beth. Wow.
But enough about me.
Wow.
What of Arma Rang?
University? No, it was UBC. Hi, Kev. Exactly, Beth. Exactly. Exactly. You should be like Ardbert. Except like not dead. Can you get a shout out for Cav?
Gone, then.
Hey, Cav.
Which means the reason I must suffer this purgatory shall forever remain a mystery.
You don't want to go to SCQ? Why is it bad? Is it bad? Bismillah.
What's the matter? Are you all right?
I'm not alright, as you can see. Am I gonna become a light warden? Alhamdulillah, real. At least my nails are cunty. He burnt his hand? Bro, I thought he was wearing a leather glove.
What just happened?
He can take away some of my light? That's what he was used for. Not even the most valiant heroes can stand alone. Together. That's what she said!
Minfilia said my time had not yet come. That I still had a role to play.
It's his glove? Oh, okay. Okay,
Not
thank
even
God.
the most valiant heroes can stand alone. No, it couldn't be. There's only one hero in this room, and it is not me. I'm just a shadow, cursed to wander.
You're cursed to wander my bussy, my guy. Fucking save me. Fucking save me. Something about you, girl, makes my head go twirl. Save me. Save me. Exarch, hello, I did not invite you to my humble abode. Do not enter my humble abode. Weird behavior. Okay.
Forgive the intrusion, but Minfilia, that is, Reen, and the others were asking after you. Is everything all right?
No, bro, I had to pass gas. And I'm out of toilet paper.
That pain again. And did it pass?
Pooja, what is this behavior?
Thank goodness for that. I would not wish to see you
I took
suffer.
laxatives, don't worry, babes.
Though I know only too well how much you have suffered on our behalf in recent days. Indeed, I have no right to impose upon you further. Nevertheless, I must ask one thing of you.
Okay.
That you survive this, no matter what.
Bro, he wants to fuck me.
When the dust settles, you
He
must return
wants
to your world.
to fuck me.
For the battles to come, and the wars yet unwon.
He wants to put that
The final
crystal
light is all
hand
that
in
stands
my
between
pussy.
us
I'm telling you.
And victory. There is still much we must do to prepare. But for now, I will see if there is aught that may remedy the strange affliction which plagues you.
Am I wrong? I keep eating gum and letting it go after the flavor is
I believe
done.
it will. Once the tyranny of light is ended, the people of the Crystarium will be safe, and the future that must be shall come to pass.
Okay. Okay.
I'll not keep you from your rest any longer. Take as much time as you like.
Sure thing, Dad. E. Pooja, what is this behavior? It's not very demi-R. Not very cutesy. Not very mindful. Very demi-R. Very cutesy. Very mindful. No green cut crease. No, this isn't right. He's reading the passage of time. It would need to be later, after the liberation of Alamigo, perhaps. Who the fuck? Reading Heaven's Ward? Horsefant? Please tell me you've finished. Good night, Francis. We have to go. They'll be upon us any moment. Very well. Where to next, then? Let's just worry about getting out of the city and pray that airship is still in one piece. Anywhere we go from here will just be more of the same. God. By the sound of that last one, I reckon the Knight's 12 might be the Knights' rebel now. Jesus, okay. Is there nothing else we can do? What the fuck? Look around you. This isn't war. It's a sickness, and it's spread every corner of Eorzea. The city-states are in disarray, and all by accounts of the Far East faring no better. There'll be nothing left of us when this is over. This world is beyond saving. What? I never tire of the story. When the hero sweeps in astride a white dragon to save the little girl. What? I could die happy knowing someone like that was still around. Me? Indeed, but not today. Not while our message remains undelivered. Huh? Huh? Have faith, my friend. We will find— Who the fuck is he? Who is he? Brother. Am I dumb for not figuring this out? I feel like I should be able to know now. I feel like I should be able to, like, combobulate what the fuck's going on right now. It's giving, like, controller of time, altering the time. Like, it's giving Marvel, like, time warp vibe. Ardbert? People in general don't. I don't want to be normal. I want to be the warrior of light. Bro, brother, I am confusion. I am confusion. I have to look away a bit for my eyes. Okay, I've looked away enough. Thank you. Mushroom skewer. Beautiful. Mr. Salafel, I trust you had a pleasant rest. No, bro. I had a nightmare. It was scary. It was a scary wawy. I closed my monitor again. Fuck me. Okay, give me a hot minute. I don't know if you can see me right now, but... Ah, Lord. Lord have mercy, Vera. Get it together. Okay. We see you. Yes, yes, that's good. We had a brief PowerPoint presentation. Love that. I don't know what that means or what you saw, but I hope it wasn't too bad. Lol. That's not very demure. May take you next. I shall pay for your safe return. May the night keep you. Thanks, buddy. Manic Pixie Dream Realm. What the fuck? What the fuck? I don't like the sound of that one though. That's not very demure. Not very cutesy. Not very mindful. Not very cutesy. Not very demure. Not very mindful. I showed Brandon that recently. He loves it. He thinks it's funny. And I thought it was funny. Not very demure. Not very cutesy. We still haven't seen the... You haven't seen the fucking original? Shut the fuck up. Shut the actual front door. That is not very cutesy. Not very demure. Not very mindful. Are you guys serious? You guys, I literally saw it first.
Yeah, there's nothing scary.
Y'all are wild. Very demure. Very mindful. Very considerate. Where is it? I literally just liked it recently.
Listen up, listen up, listen.
Jules, where is your video? Not very demure. Very mindful.
You see how I do my makeup?
Here we are. Here we are.
You see how I do my makeup? When I go and meet some brands?
No, that's not it. Where is it? I'm upset. Where is it? It was, she was in a car. The music is so good. Holy fuck. No, literally, where is it?
Listen up, listen up, listen up.
Ignore this person.
Very demure, very mindful. I don't come to work with a green cut crease.
We should all be like that. We should all lie.
Shut up, shut up, shut up. I don't know who you are. Shut up. You're annoying. I fucking hate men. I fucking hate men. Disgusting. Sorry. Where is it?
Okay, divas, if you're a sweaty girl and you get like this.
Where? No, I'm actually upset. No, I actually can't find it. This guy is annoying me. Where's the original? Very demure. Very cutesy. Very mindful. Okay, maybe it's the sound.
See how I come?
There it is. This is smart.
See how I come to work? Very demure. I don't wear too much makeup. I don't come showing up with wing liner and lashes. I do a little hair oil on the wig. I do a little tinted moisturizer. I do a little brow gel. Very considerate, very approachable, very demure. Let's be mindful while we're at work, ladies. This is not a fashion show. Some of you ladies come to work looking like streetwalkers with a low-cut shirt. I come very high-cut, very natural, very approachable, very demure. Let's be mindful and remember to be demure, ladies. You see how I come to work?
Very demure. Very cutesy. Very mindful. Oh, hello. Jesus Christ. I love your outfit. Holy fuck. Oh my god, your outfit is sexy. Your outfit, fire. Fire. The hairstyle, fire. Gen Z's trends are gonna make me combust into fire. Very cutesy. Very demure. Very mindful. Extra drippy tonight. Stop. Extra wet. Fire. Hi Lily, welcome in. What's up, bad bitch?
There you are. May I assume you've had your fill of rest?
I've had my fill of dick. Thank you. Sorry.
That is well. Now that we are all present,
he said that as well.
Let us speak of our plan.
He said that as well.
Thus far, we have vanquished 4 Light Wardens, restoring night to much of Norvrant.
Dick. Real.
Only one remains, that of Calusia. And with Reen to guide us, I am certain we will find it.
It's very cutesy. Dude, just be thankful that Automod didn't cancel you for saying LMAO.
If we can just take care of this one last warden, we'll rob the Sin Eaters of their final foothold and drive them out of Norvrant once and for all.
Is that an animal?
It will be a new beginning for the First. A chance for the people to rebuild their world.
In short, a prize worth fighting for.
I don't know why this sounds like Disney.
Delivering the First from destruction, so too shall we unsow the seeds of
They're
the
very
8th
cute, really?
umbral calamity.
I'm gonna Google that, but not on stream for safety reasons.
Do you hear? Your dreams of rejoining is in jeopardy. Are you sure you're not tempted to intervene?
Their eyes are fucking creepy, though. I will say, I get tryptophobia, and so that little hole near their eye is really scary.
The Sin Eaters is tantamount to saving the world. It is not. In truth, you only delay the inevitable, lengthening your fleeting lives by the smallest of margins.
Your mama. How about that, ya حمار? Ishtola, call him little son.
'Twould be churlish of me to deny you this small concession, close as we've become. Foolish and misguided though you are not without charm.
Call him little son right now, dude.
Each and every one of you is possessed with a noble heart. When the weak want for succor, you do not hesitate to provide it. Alas, your nobility is short-sighted. You think only of the problem in front of your nose.
I'm gonna try and get one.
A limitation of your ephemeral existence.
Our lives may seem short and insignificant to the likes of you, but one does not need to be an eternal being to achieve lasting change.
If I may stop you there, I do not claim that we Ascians are special. That is another misconception.
Then what do you claim, cunt?
Everyone lived nigh for eternity. Such was the natural order of things. But like so much else, this was taken from you.
I don't want to live forever, shit. That'd be annoying as fuck. You're telling me I have to work every day forever? Fuck off. No thanks. I like the idea of retirement.
If I borrow your plaything. In the distant past, when the world was one and whole, a great calamity threatened all life. It began without warning. The very laws of the star were warped and broken, and chaos swiftly spread throughout the land.
Okay. The blood moon rises once again.
We sought to imbue the star with its own will. Thus was Zodiark born, and by his power was order restored.
Okay.
Ere long, however, thankless fools began to fear that Zodiark's might was too great, and so they conjured another to keep him in check. Your own dear Hydaelyn.
Yeah, there should be balance.
And the two beings waged war until, with a single devastating blow, Hydaelyn unmade Zodiark, scattering his being across space and time. So you told us in the Katana Ravel.
I'm so jealous, Tripper.
Yes, yes. And there began our woes, with Hydaelyn's blow and all that it wrought. As a counterbalance to Zodiark, Hydaelyn was created with the power to enervate her foe.
Pause. What the fuck does enervate mean?
This singular ability strikes not at such banal things as flesh, but everything that defines the target, diluting its existence.
What?
For example, were she to strike you, two individuals, identical in appearance yet reduced in all respects. Strength, intelligence, the soul itself, all is halved.
Okay. I'm not understanding what he's trying to say, to be honest.
See? This self-same fate befell not only Zodiark, but the very star.
Okay, because she made multiple of them? Okay. She made a really nice set of anal beads.
Only 3 were fortunate enough to escape the sundering, me being one of them. When I beheld the shattered remnants of our home, I knew deepest despair.
Oh, I actually feel sorry
The
for him.
inhabitants of these 14 fragments were feeble, frail and foolish, oblivious to their imperfection, ignorant of their past. Malformed creatures thrashing blindly about.
So how powerful is the Warrior of Light technically then?
Disturbing, depressing.
If she's only one of the fragments.
We took it upon ourselves to rejoin the worlds. But in our eagerness and, I confess, our ignorance, we erred and made a useless void of the 13th.
Sorry?
It was only afterwards that we discovered a connection twixt source and shard. A flow of energy that maintains elemental balance. And thus did we arrive at our time-honored modus operandi.
This man has a really bad posture. Why does he stand like this?
From a purely Ascian standpoint, it could be said that what you seek to do is only logical. But that would be to ignore the immeasurable destruction wrought with each rejoining.
Correct.
You have murdered millions, and this we cannot condone.
By your fragmented existence, you continue to give rise to tragedies far crueler than any calamity. But yes, moral relativism and all that. Case in point, I do not consider you to be truly alive, ergo, I will not be guilty of murder if I kill you.
That is so fucking dumb. Hi, Drew.
Oh, don't look at me like that. You from whom I have the highest expectations.
Call me up guard, dude.
Feels like I was in here not so long ago for my 6-month resub. I guess this is an early B-Day present.
Thank you, Drew. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for the 7 months. And the most random timing ever. Thank you so much for the 7 months. I appreciate you so much, my love. Thank you for the early birthday.
A vaunted hero of the Source, 7 times rejoined.
Rejoined?
Long have I awaited one who might brave a path of lesser tragedy. A resilient soul able to endure the necessary pain. I dare to hope that my wait
Wait,
is over.
I'm 7 portions? I was rejoined?
So, finish your task and slay the Light Warden. Make proof of your usefulness, and then we may speak again.
Wait a damn fucking minute. No, don't worry at all, Drew. No, you didn't mess up anything.
Forgive me, my lord, but this could not wait.
I'm 7 parts?
Captain.
Our informant in Colusia sends word of unusual activity in Yulmore.
Oh,
It
for fuck's
appears
sake.
their forces are entrenching themselves at key points throughout the city, making ready for an attack by all indications.
Oh my god, can we just cancel them?
An intriguing use of resources. I rather doubt Lord Vorthry is concerned for the safety of his citizens.
You think he's harboring the Light Warden inside the city walls? Even if he does have some means of controlling the Sin Eaters, wouldn't that be a little risky?
Risky or not, if there is even a chance the Warden is hiding there, we will need to act fast. The longer we wait, the better prepared the Yulmorans will be.
Agreed. See to your preparations then and make for Colusia. God's willing, this hunt will be the last. Let us see it through to the end.
Yes, sir.
We should begin by assembling in Rite. There we may assess the situation in Yulmore and decide how best to proceed.
Okay. Hello. Alright, time to go to this shithole. Let's go to this fucking shithole. Ugh, yucky. I don't want to go to fucking Yulmore, dude. Yulmore sucks ass. Yucky. There you are, Farah. The others have gone ahead to reconnoiter Gate Town. We are to follow shortly. It has been a while, has it not, since the two of us infiltrated Yulmore? Since we faced Lord Vothri, and I felt such fury I have never felt before. His actions are unconscionable, of course, and any abhorrence I felt for him entirely justified. Yet mingled with my rage, there was something else. At first I was unsure where it was, but in the course of our struggles I found the answer. In Vothri's self-righteousness and his absolute belief that he, and he alone, is the cure to the world's ills, I saw a reflection of myself. No, bro. And it brought the memories of all my past follies flooding back. Oh, my love, you are like 3 expansions away. You were fine. He is vainglorious, ignorant fool I once was, and having shared in his affliction, I feel duty-bound to open his eyes to the truth. Whether he will accept it with good grace, I did not. I did. The good grace I did is another question. There's no way. What is it, Rean? Do you sense the Light Warden? I'm not sure. The aura is different. Perhaps if we were a little closer. Okay. This time we were on our way in any case. Let us join our comrades in Gate Town. Farah, as a precaution, may I ask that you go first, to ensure that the path is clear. The closer we are to Yulmore, the more I worry that Rean will maybe recognized. If you see any prying eyes along the way, pray encourage their owners to look elsewhere. Okay. Okay. No prying eyes, I say. No. Oh, no! A plankless tank? What? Where am I technically right now? Calusia? I'm in Calusia. So many ether currents I have not claimed. What's up, ether current ho? Blah, blah, blah. Am I in Ilmeg? I'm not in Ilmeg. I can't fly, baby. I'm in Emerang. Larry, I should never listen to you, man. I swear. Why do I even do it? Why do I listen? I swear I'm just dumb. I shouldn't listen. I'm stupid. I never learn. What's wrong with listening to me? Oh, come off it. What's up, buddy? Bye, Jew. Have a good time. Have a good time. Good luck with your appointment, my love. Of the belief that listening to you is right. Listening to Coochie is the worst thing I can do. Coochie lies. Ooh, so sorry. So sorry, Beth. I'm praying for you. Get it? I need tomes real. To wonderful places? I'm sure it does usually. Not today though. Die ho. Real and true, Triper. There's a Lalafell dressed as a horse. I think that's beautiful. That's so beautiful. I like trouble. We know. We know. We know. You also hate alliance raids. So. 3 levels in a trench coat. I'm not watching this. If your crush wanted to do alliance raids, you run 30 a day? God damn. Okay. I can wing it. Real and true. Real and true. Just apply. You never know. You never know. Nothing a Google search can't help with. No. Just doing my little ether current quest. Considering I have fucking jack all. Calusia. I have jack shit, dude. What the fuck? Person broke bone. What do I do? Glue it back together, duh. Hello. Just glue? Hello? You never heard of that? God. Embarrassing. Ha! Could it be me? Not knowing how to glue bones together. Ha! Embarrassing. No, give him apple juice. That's what my lunch lady used to do. The nurse at school. No, I know. I'm still gonna. I'm just trying to finish both of them. I have 2 right now. I have 2, my love. That's why. I like finishing them both at the same time. Is this not a blue quest? Wait, is this not a blue quest? Oh. My bad. Sauce babes. What? Yeah. What the fuck? Yeah. My bad. Ha. I thought that was the blue quest. Ha. Yeah. Their catchphrase, I top. Lol. Ours should be I sub. Do you want an ice pack? Dude, no. For me, it was always like literally, do you want apple juice? And you'll be on your way. Good as new. Like, honest to God, I could be like on my dying breath, be like, I'd have some apple juice. Bitch, I'm fucking dying. What the fuck? I remember I had like a literal sty in my eye. It was so bad. Like, it was actually so fucking bad. The bitch still gave me apple juice. I can't make that shit up. I cannot make that shit up. It was like bleeding, dude. In my eye. She gave me apple juice. I could never forget that shit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ain't no way you actually gave me apple juice for this. Like, this is a joke. You're joking. You're joking. It was not very demure. Not very cutesy. Not very mindful. Happy, dickhead? Blah, 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 blah. You're welcome. I fixed your boat by putting some lube. Jiffy Lube. Do you guys have Jiffy Lube, the brand at your in your country? For us, it's called Jiffy Lube, and I think that's fucking hilarious. It's not like human lube. It's like car lube. Jiffy Lube. And I think that's fucking funny. Me personally. Yeah, that's so funny. Jiffy Lube. What the fuck? Why is it called that? Who thought this was a good idea? Terrible. Yeah. Yeah, Blue, exactly that one, yeah. Jiffy Lube. What's it called? Me and Brandon have to buy tires for the car, like, next year. Because apparently, I didn't know you have to buy new tires if nothing happens to them. Apparently, they just, like, there's wear and tear. Like, they get worn out. I didn't fucking know that. I didn't even know that was a fucking thing. I was like, God damn it. Like, what the fuck? Like, actually, what the fuck? Why is that a thing? Why isn't there something called a forever tire? Okay? No, enough. Enough's enough. Why must they suffer the consequences of their actions? Do you have another ether current? They never do. You gotta buy. Is that a thing? Is that a thing? Is there actually a permanent tire? Is that a thing? Yeah, so mileage I've done so far, it's almost at 80K. 80,000 kilometers. I don't know what that is for you fuckers. Okay, listen, Triper. I don't know anything about cars. I am very easy to, unfortunately, fall for that. I don't know anything about, I literally know jack shit about cars. I even know you had to, like, when I recently had to fill up the washer fluid, I was like, what? Like, I was so confused. I for the longest time had no idea what the difference between any of those, like, gases were. I'm like, who the fuck is paying for the expensive one? There's, like, no difference. I still will never pay for the expensive one. But, like, now I actually know there's a difference. Does it matter? No. No. Brandon has never facepalmed so hard. 48K miles, I guess. 80,000 kilometers. Brandon loves cars, right? So I'm just, like, in the middle. I'm like, I don't know what the fuck is going on right now. I'm gonna be so for real. Apparently, it has less ethanol. Or it also has like a lower likelihood of catching on fire with a certain amount of compression. That's what Brandon said? The mid gasoline? Yeah, absolutely fuck anybody who wants the mid. No, I'm not renting a fucking car that requires the middle gasoline. Suck my ass. Suck my ass. It's not even my fucking car. I was debating whether to warn you, but it's too late now. I take it you notice people behaving strangely along the path. It's more of the same here. Shoal and Alice are investigating as we speak. Let's wait and see what they have to say. Are they under a trance? The gears are clearly turning in Urianger's mind. Why don't you ask him what he makes of all this? What do you make of all this? Yes. Oh my god, Triper! I just said that. I just said that. I said it takes more for it to catch on fire. Hell yeah.
Strange. Passing strange.
Plug the car in? What do you mean?
By their behavior,
I don't have an electric
we may
vehicle.
Safely assume that they are under Vorthri's mind control. Yet the extent of the effect seemeth to vary dramatically between subjects.
Hmm.
It is far too pronounced to be attributed simply to the vagaries of innate magical resistance.
Dude, it's giving Attack on Titan. It's giving Attack on Titan. Ymir is having a conversation with these hoes right now.
And curiouser.
No, I have a normal car.
Met with no trouble
I have a
on
normal
route.
car.
My thanks for securing the way.
Gas car.
but given the state of the townsfolk, I see we were never in any danger of being recognized.
Triper, I meant detonate, but I don't know English that well, okay? Stop it. I'm embarrassed right now.
I sense a powerful eater in the uppermost reaches of the city.
It's Vothri, dog.
But there's something different about it. Its light
It's literally
is
Vothri.
impure. We need to get closer.
Oh, so that one's Alphinaud. Well, unless you're triplets.
Who the fuck is yapping? Oh, hello, Catboy.
Kaishia, what are you doing here?
While I was scouting the area, I noticed a suspicious figure skulking about. So I accosted him, only to have him call me Alphinaud.
Yeah.
I thought it best to bring him along.
I accosted him. Thanks, Queen.
You see, that informant who's been feeding secrets to the Crystarium, it's me. See, after you saved my life in Yulmore, I thought about going somewhere far away, but I couldn't just leave, not without paying you back.
Oh.
So I decided to stay here, keep an eye on things, and whenever I spotted something strange, I shared it with your friends.
Bless his
That took
heart.
no small amount of courage. Well done.
I assume you saw what happened here.
Right, so an airship flew in a bit ago, and not long after, Vothri starts ranting and raving. You could hear him from all the way out here.
Yeah, the motherfucker has a fucking baby vibe.
Shouting and screaming like someone had nicked his pie.
Nicked his pie?
Tis like the airship
You guys,
bore
he
the
nicked
soldiers
his
sent to
pie.
thwart our efforts in Armorang.
You guys, they nicked his
So
pie.
eventually the yelling dies down, and then this hot, sticky wind comes blowing through. Now that's when everyone
Wait.
went funny. No, everyone but me. Well, me and a couple of newcomers, though even they started mumbling about Vothri after a while. Not as bad as the rest, mind you.
Newcomers.
This is like the only Cockney I know, literally.
There's something I need Reen to see.
Boy, nicked. Oh my
This was
god.
among the townfolk's food stores.
Okay, it's bread.
Oh, that's just meal. Yulmore doles his stuff out.
Wait, does it have shit to control them?
No, it couldn't be.
Dude, they put his spine fluid in that shit. That's Attack on Titan code.
I know what it is. It's Sin Eater. Meal is made out of Sin Eater.
So it is. In limited quantities, it may have little effect on an average individual. Yet if one were to consume it regularly, over a period of several years, I suspect it would do far, far more than merely nourish the body.
That Vothri wieldeth power over sin-eaters is known. Could it be that those who partake of their flesh do thereby render themselves susceptible to his influence? 'Twould serve to explain why the town's newer arrivals succumbed less
Vothri
quickly
Samir,
than those
Lord help
raised
us.
on a diet of meal.
He's been rounding up sin-eaters and feeding them to people. Altering them mouthful by mouthful, all to stop them answering back. There are desperate souls out there killing themselves to escape turning. This is unforgivable. An atrocity.
Understatement.
These sin-eaters. What if they are not simply rounded up? Do you remember what we were told when first we came to the city? Many enter, but none leave. Let us put an end to it. To this paradise built upon the bones of the poor. Vortra's deeds are beyond justification, beyond forgiveness. Evil.
It's highly probable that the Light Warden is waiting for us somewhere in there, and I'm all for going after it. But our enemies know our faces. They know that we are coming, and they will not let us through without a fight. Like it or not, the time for stealth is past.
Jesus.
Now, my friend, if you would be so good as to lead the charge.
That's so fucking yucky, my dude. That is very yucky. But y'all, I do fear we're going to have to end it here for the night. After looking at the quest line, guys, I do think that we're going to be finishing Shadowbringers this week on Saturday, which is fucking wild. Oh boy, I am, because it's gonna be a great time to start next week. I mean, next week. Next stream, Wednesday night. 07 bitches. And we're gonna be finishing Shadowbringers on Saturday. Saturday. I also have a very important appointment tomorrow morning for my sleep apnea that I have to drive an hour for, which is why I'm ending early, unfortunately. I'm gonna go to the lab and find out my results, guys. Let's find out. Bismillah. If I'm gonna need a CPAP or not. Not maybe you recommended this person. Jesus Christ, disgusting. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Thank you. Thank you so much. Best of luck. Thank you guys. I appreciate you very, very much. I think I know who I want to raid though. Pink is streaming. Pink is also doing
Get the nice curves and things.
a joint stream with Callie. It's like they're doing Under the Pink Umbrella. It's like a vibe of like podcast. It's like Pink's like podcast. Okay, so please go give Pink all the love. We're gonna go raid at Pink. Pink is also part of the Gremlin Grove, so please, please, please go give them all the love and known to man. Please. Okay? Y'all better represent me well. Thank you very much. Umbrella. Yes, nice. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, for all the subs, for all the support, for all the kindness, for all the vibes. Thank you to my amazing mod. Thank you, Beth. Thank you, Jasper. Thank you, Triper. Thank you, Ash, for hanging out. Thank you, Cav, baby. Thank you, Blue. Thank you, Larry. Thank you, Aloe. Thank you, Go. Thank you, all you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you. I appreciate you so much. And hopefully I will see you guys Wednesday night. Same place. And while we get into level 17-9. What the fuck? That's fucking crazy. Anyways, love you guys. Bye. Or 78, technically. Okay, bye. Have a good night. Okay, bye.